Yeah, got to make some money. We are back. Welcome. My name is David. I'll be one of your three co-hosts today. Certified baller, shot caller. I got a frosted lemonade from Chick-fil-A. Bomb here. Hopefully I'm getting tonight. Okay.
Oh.
Today, the band is back together. Normally I introduce the Zen Master first, but today's a special day. We got our boy Rob back. He's in the house. Give my man a round of applause.
Hola! Is your boy, Big Rob, back in the house. Welcome to Sense of Credit. I know this is the most important piece of the puzzle has been missing, and I am here.
How did we even breathe without
I am here. I'm here, and we started the show, and I put a 200x short in.
Okay, just real
I'm in.
quick.
I'm in a 200x short.
This, you're already up 40.
Oh.
This guy, we're getting ready to go live, right? Which, by the way, thank you guys very much. And sorry, the Zen Master JP also, my bad. Yeah. You know, that was very flat. Give me the camera back. Give me the camera back. Give me the damn camera back. Well, also joining us today, we have the Master of Zen, the know-it-all in a good way, the Zen Master JP. How you doing, bro?
Hey, doing pretty good. Hello, people. Zen Master JP here. That's right, DJ Sip in the house. Okay, one of my legacy DJ names. Apparently, we're just putting that out there.
Legit?
DJ Sip.
Why? Because
you said DJ Simp.
I love that. I love that. Actually,
I was just gonna.
That was a popular joke about it. Yeah.
Anyways, guys, what I was saying was, we know the first couple of days of the week we've been a little all over the place with the schedule and time. We just want to say we appreciate all of you. Thank you very much. We'll be back to normal scheduling tomorrow in studio with the three of us, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The evening streams might be a little later throughout the rest of the week, and so just number one. Make sure you subscribe, have your notification bell on. 2, join our Discord. We make announcements in there. And of course, if you get the notifications, you'll know exactly when we're about to go live. So anyways, we're sitting here. We're getting ready for the show. We're doing mic checks. I hear the Unix bing, the ding. I'm like, bing. Who was that? Rob's like, I'm in a 200x short, man. I was like, can you wait for the show to start so we have some damn content up in here? Speaking of having some damn, where's our damn money?
I'm trying to make money, bro. That's what I do here.
You're selfish, man.
I make money, man.
And did you? Never mind.
Did I what?
You shit yourself?
I did not.
It smells like straight up doo-doo up in here.
Bah!
Careful, that explosive diarrhea been going around, bros. Y'all good or what? That's why he was gone. Explosive diarrhea. I'm kidding, of course. Yeah, people were worried, man. They said, did we fire you?
Where's all our money at?
That's what I just said. Also, I was thinking, I know this is not something we typically would say on camera, but our camera settings, are they going to be okay?
Yeah, I already did. I already dialed everything in.
Back to 4K?
Yeah, well, good to go.
You're a liar.
What a good guy.
All right, I'm going to go grab the money. I'll be back. Gentlemen, Rob, please show us your trade.
Yo, why are you shorting, man?
Shorting? It's a flag,
yeah,
right?
What's going on?
Flag there, bro.
No, I just shorted okay, so what happened was price spiked up and hit 65,000. And I was like, that's a bounce zone right there. So I just took a short. Here we are.
So because of the psychological number?
It's just a big move, man. Nice big green candle. I just figured we're going to retrace a little bit. I might close it because it is flagging. I mean, it is a 1 minute, so I don't think it's... I'm confident. I'm confident right now. I just wanted to taste some action. I haven't traded in a little while.
Yeah.
At least not live on air. So I figure I would sweeten the pot up and start this show off with the bang. And so here we are. I'm up 17, up 20%, up $46 right now. So let's see what happens with Bitcoin. You know, we'll get the top down analysis on Bitcoin. You want to start us off with that? You want to?
I got you.
Go through.
Let's see what's actually. Oh, okay. Oh,
bro, that's it.
Can we see the? Can we see the widescreen?
Why are you throwing all the money already, bro?
There we go.
Goal!
Here, hand me some cash, bro.
Goal! All right, let's make some mess in here.
All right.
All right.
I don't know why I just got the first energy.
Yeah, dude, you drink that frozen lemonade.
love it.
Bro, man, your boy out of shape here. Did a lot of running and jogging.
Wow.
Okay.
All right.
I'm so sorry. Is that a 0.7 Bitcoin position? How much margin are you using, bro? At least, hey, thanks for the fee, dog. See that fee he paid?
What's that? 60. What's the margin?
Let's see here.
Can we move the cameras to the right?
Right there. There it is.
Right there. $250 in margin
Nice.
at 200x leverage.
So what's the position size? Should be pretty like 0.7, right?
Bitcoin. Yeah, it's almost one Bitcoin.
One Bitcoin.
There it
Okay.
is.
All right. Well,
All right, bro.
let's
Let's get this money, dog. I'm rooting for you, but I would take profits early, my friend. That's a flag,
I'm underwater, bro. I'm underwater.
You're about to get tapped. Oh, your stop is super tight. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, it wasn't a trade alert. It was just a.
I'm playing with fire.
Listen, my boy's been out for a week and a half. He's a little rusty. Okay. He needed to get
playing with the fuego.
It's a degen alert.
Also, I have an announcement to make.
What you got?
I have an announcement. Give me the camera. I am pledging myself
I pledge allegiance
to. Okay, so all jokes aside, I'm challenging myself.
Okay. To what?
I'm not going to trade on BitUnix until I get funded on Breakout.
I like that, man.
So you will only be seeing myself. Pull up my screen, please. You will only be seeing myself try to get this 100K account funded. $100,000 account. All I got to do is get to 109K before I get to 97K.
$100,000 account. Lovely.
There it is.
Okay.
100K all day. 109 before the 97. I really wanted the last one to rhyme, but it didn't. But anyways, I will be putting in trades live. And also, for those of you that are interested in prop firms, but maybe don't know what it is, I'll be doing a special like walkthrough video that we'll post for members. And then about 5 days after, we'll post it on X for everyone to be able to see. But this is, I've always said prop firms are great opportunities as long as you have the right one, a reputable one, and one that doesn't have all those crazy rules, which Breakout doesn't have. So, yes. Anyways, okay. It's been a while since I've been on the show, so I had to try to, get all the what is it called? The not the
Cobwebs?
No, not the laundry. The anyways, guys, I lost the energy I had.
Oh, you need to.
Okay, let's start with. I feel like it's been forever since I've streamed crypto, man.
Do you remember how to do this?
I don't. Apparently, I'm over here stumbling on my words like it's my first time on the
It's
damn
been
show.
so long since I streamed crypto.
When it's been super long and then you forget.
No.
Okay. No. He said no. Yeah. Anyways, so Bitcoin, Rob's in a short. So did you talk about that? I know I stepped out of the room to grab the money.
I genuinely just market ordered a short, and then I put the stop loss and take profit in afterwards.
Okay. All right.
I saw the wick to 65. Yeah. I said, hey, this is a good opportunity
to get clapped?
To do something fun. I have not got clapped yet.
Okay. Gotcha.
Okay. We'll take a look at Bitcoin. I'll just look at what we typically do, or JP and I have been doing over the last week or so. Is I'll look at the kind of the medium to lower time frames, and then JP gives you the complete full top-down analysis. Here's Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame, coming off a double green dot that already played out. What a beautiful signal this was, right?
Let's go.
And this was off of a 100 MA bounce, up almost 4.5% on Bitcoin. Getting above the 21, the 200, the 50, and the 100 moving average. I think the more important thing here, JP, is, looking at this, we were kind of in a little bit of a zone here, bro. And looks like we've broken that zone on a closure. Okay, we've taken out these highs here at around 64,704. This candle closed at 64,738. So it's close, but technically it's still a close above. This pattern looks really good. And then you take a look at where's volume coming in. Let me squeeze this up. We got another volume gap from, I think it was all the way up to like 65.7. So can Bitcoin move through, 65.7, get to that 66K region? And there was some bullish news. If you're wondering why is Bitcoin going up, the Iran war has been renewed. Everyone's still freaking out. CPI numbers came out today, and I know JP has the Forex Factory.
Forex Factory.
I'm sure he'll go over that when he does the top-down analysis. But I think that was a surprise to a lot of investors and really everyone. Those auto clappers, the high frequency bots. Mm-hmm. they read news and headlines and they trade based off of that. And it looks like that's what they did with Bitcoin, man. Here's a 2-hour time frame. Little overextended on the RSI, sitting at a right under 70. So almost in overbought territory. And then here is your 1 hour. 1 hour is clearly an overbought at 76 on the RSI. But coming off some hidden bullish divergence on the 1 hour time frame. Money flow green, VWAP about to get a cross back into positive territory. And so, and just from a structure standpoint, this to me looks like a clear as day bull flag here. That's mid breakout. Like this is the candle is breaking out, and that's what it looks like to me. And so how high can this go? Let's measure the, if we want to be greedy, here's the entire move. That's a big move. That's up to 66,850. If we want to not get greedy and we want to, well, we'll just take it from this leg here. Then you're looking at a breakout to around 66,000 even. Which either way, there's plenty of room for you to be able to make money on a long if you decide to do if you decide to take that and go long on Bitcoin. Here's the 30-minute time frame, just hidden bull div on the 1 hour, the 2 hour, and the 30-minute time frame. Here's a 15. 15 momentum's pretty strong. Money flow is thick in the green. That's sitting at 35.8. And then the 5-minute time frame, 5 minutes shows continuation. Another bull flag on the 5-minute time frame, expecting a breakout. So we're in like bull flag season here. It feels like on multiple time frames. So with that being said, I think after looking at the chart, I think it's hard not to be have your bias be bullish for the time being on Bitcoin. But I'm curious to see what JP, what you got on your charts, my friend.
Let's see what I got. And what's going on, everybody? How we doing? Welcome into Sin City Crypto. This is the trading show. Hello to the congregation. Hit the organs, please. Welcome in. How are you feeling, folks? Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Are you monkish? Whatever you are, I want you to believe in it. Have faith in it.
I believe. He said, are you a monkfish? I said, nah, man, I'm a sturgeon, baby. I got that good caviar, you know, the eggs.
Man, shout out to everybody in the chat, man. We love you guys, man. Cannon Gad, DJL 23 trades, all my good people out there. Attract Abundance, are you out there? The Disabled Machine, Ignorant Bastard, everybody out there. Jacko, all my good people, man. Good to see everybody out there in the chat. Hit the like button early, folks, before you forget. Hit the like button now. We appreciate you. But let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about Bitcoin. What incredible price action lately, right? Incredible price action.
Can I get an amen?
Yeah, I get an amen for that one. Incredible price action and a lot of opportunity. And you know what, guys? I just closed the trade. I just closed the trade on my macro account. I have 3 accounts now: my macro, my meso, and my micro scalper account. Okay,
your Rob account.
Yeah, my Rob account. Exactly. This is my macro account here. I had a bigger trade cooking here, and I basically had traded this downtrend right here. You know, you hear me say this a lot: trend down to break up, brittle trends. That was a brittle trend in a steep downturn that had strong bullish divergence. That's my play, guys. You see my buy right there. I bought right there, and my full TP got hit. You know, a sell right there, right around 65. Man, what a beautiful trade. We're gonna have to drop the money on this one. Can we drop the money right here? Can we drop the money? Let's go.
Oh, I made 2 racks.
Come on.
Here.
765%. Throw some money with my Zen centers. That's in the money. These trade alerts have been hitting lately. Come on, they hitting.
Wait, was this on your copy account too?
No, this is my macro. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry,
bro.
Macro account. but ideally, the macro should be on the copy account as well.
That's what I'm saying.
I know.
And it should be on the breakout. Is it on your breakout account? Bro, you slacking, bro.
No. But, baby, I'm still hitting these big trades, man. Just yesterday, somebody was saying, JP, did you lose all your money, man? What is these small accounts, man? Are you missing zeros? Yeah, I'm doing like $5 stop losses and stuff.
Come on, man. Put some respect on my man name over there, bro.
Just because I'm trying to grow some small accounts. I think it's more admirable if I can grow a small account. Amen?
No, right? I want to see the $1 million trade.
Come on, bro.
I want to see that.
I want to see that Lambo money.
I want to see you.
Hey, what the Lambo money?
I want to see a trade that the margin can buy me a Lambo. That's what I want to see, my dude.
But yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. 765% over 2 racks off that trade. I think I still have a Tron trade open on my Meso account, which I do need to check into. Just give me 1 second. Can we switch away from my screen for one moment? I don't want people going through my personal details here as I switch. Thank you very much. All right.
Let's look at a little bit of the bubbles here.
Switch
the bubbles.
And go to pull up the bubbles. All right.
So here we got the crypto bubbles. What do we got here, Rob? Can you read? He can read. The man can read. Hash down 18.4%. This is on the 1 hour on the 1 hour down 18%. Anyways, we have data up, pump up, Zcash up, Canton up, lighter up, virtual up. A lot is up. What's down? Beats down. Uniswap is down. World Liberty Finance is down. Gold is down. DEXY, Arbitrum, WorldCoin, and no idea what BDX, but Near Protocol is also down. Interesting, gentlemen, keep this in mind. Pump.fun is the number one gainer on the 1 hour. Does that mean the memes are running? Does that mean Solana's going to run? We'll take a look. We should add that to our list of what to potentially take a look at. But you ready to show what you?
Yeah, I got the Meso account here. I got my Solana. I got a Solana trade open on the Meso account. Anybody remember me entering a Solana trade? I'm assuming I entered here in the 4 hours. Sometimes I forget the trades I'm in, but that's a beautiful 4 hour flag, isn't it? With the SR flip right there. And look, this thing is just getting started. That's still bullish.
Wait, where was your entry?
Right there at the bottom of that flag. Yeah, bottom of that flag. I'm a bottom sniper, baby. And up 62% right now on the margin. But this looks like it's just getting started. I got to keep it real. This may hit the TP.
You know, we talked about, I showed Pump.fun is up. I mean, I know they're not the same project, but Pump.fun is a Solana token.
True.
Right? So could we see Solana season loading? I don't know.
So I'm going to leave this. I'm going to let this trade cook. This is the Meso account, right? The 4 hour account. So I can let it run for hours or even a day or two. I think it's been like a day, maybe a day or two. We'll let this hit this TP. And then let's see what's going on the micro account. Go ahead and pull it right here to our beautiful selves. Oh, look at you. Look at us, man.
Bro, this is so good. Has anyone, okay, I'm asking the chat. Who has ever had a frosted lemonade from Chick-fil-A? This shit is fire, bro. Anyway, that's all I got.
Frosted lemonade. Love it.
Yeah.
All right.
For me, man, we've been so busy. I haven't had time. I mean, I put in one trade yesterday. Was it 2 days ago or yesterday? It was a Rob trade.
Really?
That mean,
like, 2 days ago?
I was like, I think this is a bottom, bro. And I just market ordered in and yeah.
All right, and the final trade I'm in right now, I entered this, I'm pretty sure, yesterday. So some folks might be in it. Let me just turn off orders filled. This is an interesting feature here from BitUnix. Shows you your buy and sell orders. Sometimes useful, but not useful when you're trading too much. You know, it covers too much of the chart. But I'm in a trade on Tron. Let me just pull this up. Here it is, Tron trade. Who remembers this trade yesterday? This was a trade alert during the evening show yesterday for Tron on the 4 hour time frame. This thing was extended to the downside and it's cooking. Stop loss and the break even. So anti-clappers are installed on all of my trades. Everything is risk free, and this could hit the target as well. So I'm happy that Tron is looking good. But let's get to the real analysis for BTC. And we do have a daily candle close that we will cover in just, what, an hour and 10 minutes? An hour and 10 minutes for the daily candle close. But are you guys ready for the top down? Are you ready for the top down, man?
Ready for the top to come down.
Okay. Okay, let's pull the top down, baby. And once again, welcome in everybody to Sin City Crypto. Find your seat in the congregation, okay? Get ready. It's time to get serious and hit that like button early. Appreciate everybody out there, okay? Before I even do, hey, we got a nice super chat coming in. Can we highlight the super chat from Jacko?
Might be outside of our capabilities right now.
Oh yeah, that's right. But hey, let's go. It says BTC pump.
Yeah, my boy Jacob in the back.
We got somebody filling in for Laura, and he's a superstar right now. He's a superstar.
The man is a machine.
All right, but
you're hired. State Farm's gonna miss
Get
you.
that man another chicken sandwich.
Daddy wants you to have another chicken sandwich, son.
I love it. But Jacko says, BTC pump, how long will it last? Poll fellow members. Oh, that's a good idea. We should do a poll.
I'll do a poll.
Will this pump last? Or something like that. How do you want to phrase that?
How long will Bitcoin's pump last?
Yeah, something like that. Or like true reversal or just, pump before dump, something like that. You know, some people think this is just a temporary pop and short it.
Okay, what level will Bitcoin reverse?
That's what I'm doing.
Short it all.
What level will Bitcoin reverse? Go ahead, JP.
What level will it? Okay.
I'm just saying, I got to hit.
Yeah, I'm listening. Okay, that's cool. All right, I'm gonna do the top down. I'll do the top down. I'll let you know as far as the probability goes, what the data says. Okay, this is not my opinion. Okay, but this is what the data says here. Let's look at the weekly time frame. Let's bring up the weekly, and we are above the 200 MA, the yellow line, 200 simple moving average. Very critical support for BTC as long as we are above it. Once you go below it, it is a critical resistance. As long as it stays on the support side, the bullish divergence on the weekly is valid. The bullish divergence on the daily is valid. We have low stochastics, low RSI, and a green dot, a market cipher B buy signal on the weekly.
Damn.
On the weekly.
And we're at the 200 like you are.
Are you kidding me? That looks bullish, potentially. That's why I talk like that.
That's a guaranteed must maybe buy.
The reason why I say potentially, because it still needs to bounce, okay? It's still a bearish trend. It's still a bearish trend, guys.
Yeah.
We need to break above the highs to be bullish. You got to break above 82,000. You got to break above 82,000 to even talk about being bullish. But, that looks like a trade to 82,000 if you ask me.
Damn. Is that Taylor?
Possibly, but I'm not just going to jump. I have to finish the analysis.
Okay.
And I also want to point out something, man. I've been shouting out ALGO crypto, man. Did you see his video on Market Cipher B? Or have you heard me talk about it?
I have not.
ALGO, good friend of the channel, man. He did a video breaking down Market Cipher B, one of the indicators I use here every day.
Is it on YouTube?
It's on YouTube right now, yeah. Market Cipher B, ALGO. Look it up. It is a critical video. If you use Market Cipher, if you want to use Market Cipher, watch that video. I'm telling you.
Link in the description if you want to use it as well.
Yeah, but what he showed me, the biggest takeaway I took from it is that he likes to have his VWAP as a line and not a momentum wave.
I'm so sorry. Which one is it? Is it from 5 days ago?
Yeah, like literally 5 days ago. That's it. Bring it up. Let me see your screen. You want to show it?
Go ahead.
Maybe not the whole video, but at least show
jump
him.
into the chart.
There we go.
So Market Cipher is incredible, and this is being recorded for the Discord members.
This is the video,
we are
guys.
Going to put this out on.
Great information.
Also, I'm looking
guys,
for
do me a favor, okay? I'm gonna give away $50 to someone from our community who goes into Alex's video. I want you to go watch this video, and in the comments, put what should we haven't put something that identifies our channel.
Sin City sent me.
No, it's too long.
Too long. Bluefish.
No. I want to.
No, I like Sin City sent me, bro. They can type, man. You think people are lazy? They can't put five words together?
Put Ola. O-L-A. O-L-A.
He's like, y'all too dumb to put in five words, bro.
Listen, shut up. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to put the link to the video. You guys are going to go watch the video. And while you're there, like the video. And in the comments, I want you to comment Ola. I will go into his video in 24 hours. No, in 48 hours. I'll pick a name. I'll announce the name on our show on Friday. And then that person, when you're in here, you're going to respond. I'll ask you
I like how you're actively telling our members to leave our channel right now. Mid-show.
Not right now. After the show. It's a pre-recorded video. Do it after the show. Thank you.
Oh, God.
Don't leave yet.
Everybody leave right now.
Wait a minute. If you leave now, we're tracking your YouTube channel. We know if you left, you'll be disqualified.
Yeah, say Fa sent me. No, I'm kidding. Don't do that.
The Fa.
Somebody said that in the chat.
So what are they saying?
But
Ola, O-L-A.
Oh, I like that. Ola, yeah. Leave an Ola in there so we know. But yeah, the biggest takeaway I got, I mean, there's a lot of good stuff in that video, but the biggest takeaway I got is about the VWAP, okay? The VWAP, I have it, and it's by default, it's kind of like a wave, right? Not a line, but like a wave, like the momentum wave. And what he recommend doing is go ahead into your settings and change it from a wave and put it into a line. It makes way more sense to be a line because it's an oscillating line around a zero line. And what happens is once you cross the zero line bullishly, it prints a green dot. That's simple. That's the algorithm. That's the green dot. You don't have to magically wait for a green dot. You can see it coming. You can see the red dots coming. Look, the VWAP crossing bearishly, right there, red dot. Look, crossing bullishly, green dot. That's all it is. So you can front run those dots and see it coming in advance with the line. Okay,
yeah, we talked about this.
We talked about that. Yes,
we did talk about front running the green dots and the red dots. And but yeah, Alex, so man, for those of you that are looking for like outside perspective and you'd like to watch multiple channels, you got to watch Alex. So the guy is amazing. So. Also, shout out to the people who picked this flavor, sparkling tropical freeze. It's pretty fire actually. Tastes like a rainbow sherbet up in here. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Anyways, I don't even know where the fuck are we. Like, what are we? Are we still on the Bitcoin?
Yeah, we literally never even left the weekly yet. All right, let's pick it up.
I want to leave you, man.
Let's pick it up here. But point is, there's a green dot on the weekly, guys, because of that VWAP crossing bullishly the zero line, and you see it looked like a healthy cross. It looks bullish to me, man. I'm bullish on the weekly right now, guys. I'm bullish on the weekly. I've been bullish for some time. I'm bullish on the weekly right now. Let's go to the daily time frame. Here's the daily. Look at them giving us a green dot right now as well. Look, the VWAP crossing the zero line again after crossing it bearishly. Red dot, green dot, baby. And now an engulfing candle on the daily. Will this daily candle be an engulfer?
Engulf me, baby.
And is that an inverted head and shoulder, man? I'm just looking at the structure. There's a shoulder, there's a head, there's a right shoulder right there, and maybe an extra one for good measure. But that looks like an inverse head and shoulder potentially. It looks like a double bottom. It looks like a trend down to break up. BTC got so bearish that it now looks bullish. Okay, I'm ready to be a bullish monk. Money flow still red though. Trend still down. Trend still down, but the daily looking incredibly bullish to me. Let's take a quick peek at the 12-hour. 12-hour also engulfing candle coming in and getting above the local resistance. Big old volume gap above us. BTC, are you going to 70K? That's the look. That's a freaking like measured move right there. 70K is not a pipe dream, guys. It's a real level based on technical analysis that I can show you right here that we can make it exactly there, exactly to 70K. It's in the cards and probable. Green dot on the 12-hour. How about the 4-hour? The 4-hour time frame is still in the green dot program. Pushed up. That was a double bottom or inverse cat ear, however you want to look at it. Meow. But yeah, BTC pushing up, getting above the local resistance on the 4-hour. Money flow green, the 4-hour looks bullish. But I just got to say, you can see that VWAP starting to curve over a bit. Is it going to come down and then give you the red dot by crossing bearishly that VWAP zero line? We'll see.
Oh, no, man. This shit looks very bullish.
I agree. I wholeheartedly agree, man.
Like, if I'm front running anything, I'm front running another green dot somewhere on some time frame. Me personally.
Yeah. I get that. Let me go down to the 30-minute real quick, 30-minute time frame. Very bullish. Look at the bull flag. Big move up, bull flag, a bounce before it even touched the 21. Never even touched it. Money flow incredibly green. Green dot. Everything bullish right there on the 30-minute. Here's the 5-minute. Big move up. It looks like a bull flag. Is it a rounded or kind of rounded bottom there? But breaking up, nonetheless, breaking up. This thing is bullish, well above the 200 MA on the 5-minute time frame, and finally the 1 minute. The right now time frame has a flag as well. Flags everywhere. Bull, 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 bull. Bull is bullish, baby. Whole lot of bull.
So yeah, I'm actually in a short right now.
I mean, you're not wrong. When you get very bullish, I mean, the pro traders are looking for shorts when everyone is bullish. You know what I'm saying? When everyone is bearish, the pro traders are looking for longs, potentially. It's okay to go against the grain, but you can't go against the trend.
These are little short term. I just sat down having a good time trades right now. So
okay.
Looking to close this thing out sometime soon.
Yeah, but that does it for the top-down analysis. I guess I'll look at liquidity, and I guess I'll pull up the casino, see what's going on. Anything you guys want to bring up, anything the community wants to see, talk to us. We love you. What coins, assets, commodities do you want to see? And we got to talk about, we'll talk about Forex Factory, the CPI numbers. There's a lot to talk about, guys. There's a lot.
Hey, man, we had a 5 gifted membership from Jacko. So shout out to Crypto Slayers, Big 8, Ted, Andre, and
Grand Wizard.
Yeah, you don't want to say that. Wait, isn't that the KKK?
Grand Wizard. They definitely have those for sure.
Why are you calling the KKK, bro?
Algorithm, man. The ALGO.
If it's, I don't know, man. I don't think there's lots of wizards and there's grand ones and there's superb ones.
You're going to stop because I know you're going to dig yourself a hole. Nah, the hole is already digged.
Just let it go.
Let it go.
Magnificent ones.
Let it go. Let it go. Are you still in your short? And how you're up a good amount?
Let's take a look. Taking a look. I'm up 35% here.
Let's go. Let's go.
You're going to reimburse me for lunch or what?
Yeah,
Oh.
look at that. Got my TP at 64.7. Yeah.
You might hit that TP, my friend.
Yeah.
You're gonna Annie. Oh, you don't like the Annie clapper, do you?
I sure don't.
He said, "I'm getting clapped."
I do not drag my stop loss. I commit. No prenup with me, bro.
Oh, well,
Ride it out.
I should just shut my mouth now. I was gonna make a comment, but I chose not to.
Hold your tongue.
Yeah, very hard to do that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know.
I'm looking at Bitcoin and I was just gonna say the 5-minute looks like a nice flag playing now, but the 5-minute now looks like maybe this thing wants to roll over. Let's take a peek. We had that red dot on that red baby blood diamond on Market Cipher. Excuse me, Market Cipher A. Not to say that that's end all be all signal there, but at least a 5-minute looks like it still wants to move. And guys, beware if we break below 64.7, there is a gap to the next POC. Okay, so I have found the level I want to buy. I have found the label, and if we can get quadruple confluence here, I will put in a limit order. Hold on, what if I... There it is. Quadruple there it is. JP, you see what I'm saying? Rob, you see what I'm saying?
What are we seeing?
All right, we have a volume gap here. We got the Stingray.
Okay.
Okay, you see that? The Stingray. If price falls, if it breaks below 64,768, it's going to fall through that gap. And look at what we have here. We have our 50. We have our 100. We have our volume node. And we also have our 786 retracement level. I am a buyer at 64,619. Let's go ahead and put in a limit order here on breakout.
I like
Let's
that.
go limit buy 64. What was it? 619? Let's go 625. Just 626. 64,626. TP stop loss. Okay, so our stop loss is going to be at the low here. 64,4. Let's go 64,420. 64,420. And our TP is going to be, we're just going to rotate it to the very top of this range, but we're going to double top this thing. 65K even. How does that sound? $65,000 even. Let's see what that R&R looks like. How about we risk 250 to make, oh, that's less than a 2-to-1. I can't do that. I cannot do that. I want to keep my stop loss where it is for 480, which is below that low. And let's see how our 200 to make 5. I like that. Okay, we're gonna risk 200 to make 550. So almost a 3-to-1. And this is on breakout on the 5-minute time frame, my friends. We're looking to scalp a Bitcoin long, a limit order. Now, I like that it has quadruple confluence here. I already went over that. And so here are the numbers. The numbers are an entry at $64,620. Our stop loss is below the low at $64,480. And our take profit is up at $65,000 even. And we're risking $200 to make $550. There you go. There's your first trade alert for the day.
Not bad, not bad.
Can't
take a quick look at liquidity here.
Hold on, man.
Oh, okay.
You're not gonna throw money.
Oh, okay.
Nothing.
Sorry.
Oh, by the way, Rob, you haven't been here. This is JP's new thing. You know if he likes to trade depending on how much money he throws. If he throws a single dollar, that means he doesn't really like to
He
trade.
always throws $1 for me, bro.
Yeah, because he doesn't like to trade.
Damn.
I sound like a man hurt.
I'm sorry, man.
Yeah. Anyway, I'll throw my own dollar. There you go. I threw
There you
two.
go. Got $3 from me, man.
Thanks. Appreciate it, man. Thank you very much.
Less than a handful, but definitely more than $1.
Okay, I'll take it. We're working our way up here, man. I appreciate
Okay.
you, bro. Anyways, I see you got your liquidity chart pulled up.
I got the heat map ready if you guys are interested in the orders in the market here. And so looking at the 5-minute time frame here from Trading Different, liquidity heat map on a Trading View chart is looking like liquidity is favoring the upside by a big amount, right? by a lot. Very close liquidity to the top side at 65,152. That's where it starts. And look at that big old batch, man. There's a big red batch at 68,600. And this thing could keep going up. I mean, I think with the concentration of orders pretty much, I mean, stop at about 70,699. So once again, more evidence, more probability that 70K is in the cards, and sooner than we think. But if we zoom out, look, this truly like tons of liquidity up to like 87,000. Yes, 87,000 with some breaks in between. Lots of breaks in between the liquidity. And as far as the downside, we have some at 61,794. A little bit of break in between that, but liquidity all the way down to 53. I'm seeing 53,000 on the 5-minute chart using the current zoom level and sensitivity that I have activated on the chart. Interesting. Let's just take a quick look at like macro liquidity. I just want to see if it has changed. For a while, it was favoring the downside, but you know, the top side was still brighter. It looks pretty similar. Let's remove all drawings here. There we go. Clean it up. So interesting. So liquidity to the downside of the macro using a daily time frame starts at 57,653 and is a batch all the way down to 40,000. And I must note the very red area at 47,000. You hear me, mention that level a lot, and that's why. And to the upside, I mean, liquidity is just above us. Are we entering it now? 65,500. Lots of local liquidity. I call it crumbs, a bit of an appetizer into the main course at 84,000. Hot liquidity, 84,000. And that entire batch can run you up. Look at that. There's barely any breaks there. And barely any breaks, but there's breaks. There's macro liquidity all the way up to $154,000 Bitcoin. That's right, baby. Not a pipe dream. It is data. That's data I'm giving you. And finally, the casino. Make sure this is live. How's the casino look? Give me some sounds, baby. Overstimulate me a little bit. Not very overstimulating.
Not stimulating at all.
Okay. But look, so the casino, what is it doing? We're on a pull to the downside. Pull to the downside after what I'm assuming is a bullish condition. I don't see any bullish conditions, but it's been pumping all day is what it looks like. Pumping all day, and we just barely touched the supply zone. Touched it and got rejected from it so far with a pull to the downside, and demand sitting at 73. I'm seeing just 24 trades per minute right now, a little bit low volume, 24 trades per minute. Time frames 1 to 2 hour, all bullish right now. And the higher time frames supposedly bearish, 4 hour through the 1 day bearish and 1 through the 2 hour bullish. The order book is kind of slow right now. I got to say, guys, you don't even see the orders moving.
Where are we at? Because we can't see it's cut off.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
Also, with the image is cropped.
Actually, I could do it right here. Look at this. Ooh, fancy. Look at that. Fancy.
26?
Yeah, about 26 trades per minute. Very slow. You see the orders not even moving. Like, it's just slow orders right now in the order books. But we are near the supply zone. I got to say this. From a scalping perspective, when we're in the supply zone, I'm usually looking for shorts. In the supply zone, and longs from the demand zone, the lower liquidity, right? When we're down low. So, I mean, it could be a scalp at play, but I see a lot of bullishness, man, that I'm most likely willing to just wait for an entry, similar to your trade, right? So we'll see.
Yeah, I'm definitely not trying to jump into a long right now. I'll tell you that.
Yeah, yeah. And then finally, the auto clappers, man. Somebody asked about the auto clappers. The auto clappers are long right now, 10 out of 10 certainty long. But remember, the auto clappers chase the trend. They let the trend chase. They let the moving averages happen, and then they get in. So if something bearish happens, trust and believe the auto clappers will go bearish. But right now, they're bullish still. All right, that was a lot. I like it.
We got a super chat from Kilgannon. Don't forget, we've also got PPI and PCE this week. Did you go over?
Not yet, but I do have it right here. If you're interested, we have red folders. Oop, bring it back up. Bam, there we go. Thank you, Kilgannon. We appreciate your super chat. Let's go over it right now. Let's look at it. We got core CPI month over month. We got core CPI year over year. We got CPI month over month, CPI year over year. And what is that? Fed Chairman Warsh testifies. Did he testify today? I've been out of the charts and out of the news.
Yeah.
Interesting, right?
Looks like he did.
Wow. I wonder how that went. Chat, Zen detectives, inform us. How did that go? Yeah, I'm seeing lower than expected CPI, and for the people who aren't very well versed in this, in economics, including myself, I'm just learning this stuff too. I'm more of a trader than an economist, but this is basically inflation data, right, Dave?
Yep, exactly.
Is this bullish? You would say for risk on assets?
This is extremely bullish.
Okay. Is it for risk on assets and the economy put together, or like one or the other? Break it down for us.
So look at CPI year over year, okay? CPI Y/Y.
Yeah.
They forecasted 3.8. It came in at... No,
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I got this in a way. How do I just hit the X? There we go.
So that CPI year over year, it's forecasted was 3.8. It came in 0.3 of a point lower. Typically, you see like a forecast 3.8 comes in at 3.9 or 3.7. Okay. But came in from 3.8 to 3.5.
Was it 2.9? Is it? I don't see 3.8. Is it 2.9 or what?
No, go to look at the forecast column.
Forecast. I see 2.8. I see 2.8. Oh, all the way at the bottom. The CPI. There you go. Okay. Thank you.
This is your consumer price index.
Make it big, baby.
And literally, this is how they do it. They take a clipboard. They go around different stores. All right, how much are you charging for this? Okay, this much. And they compare it to last month or last year. And they say, okay, well, it's up this percent, that percent. This is what it is. That's how they measure it. Core is removing energy and energy and housing. Core is minus energy and housing.
I forget.
Good job. Core is
they do explain it here if you want me to.
Housing. Okay.
Seeing a lot of volatility here on Bitcoin. We saw Bitcoin go all the way down. Got Bitcoin all the way down to 64.76. Seen this big move to the upside.
Damn.
We are back at 65,000. We did come up and wick here. Not yet. But let's see. We'll see. I have a feeling that if this does break above, we'll probably curl here before another breakout. We'll see. I've been eyeballing a Solana long, though, myself. So taking a look here at the 10-minute, I got just kind of zooming out a little bit here. You can see that we came into this consolidation wedge here. We came up, we rounded out into it, been bouncing around, broke out above, and we ran into this 7777, my favorite numbers, which I'm also known for rolling 77 sevens in a row at the craps table one time. Oh, that's not a good sound. God damn it. Okay.
Clap him.
Should have done the anti-clap.
Clap him.
Yeah,
clap his ass. Yeah.
First clap of the day.
I should have taken the profit earlier. But
I told you.
I know.
It's okay.
But anyways, I'm looking to get an entry here on Solana, 10-minute time frame. I'm looking to come back down to $77 flat, right? So I'm eyeballing an entry at 77, and then I took the measured move, what was this breakout here. The breakout that we saw not too long ago was started at $75. Anyways, took the measured move. I said, where does that take us for a potential trade? $80 on the nose. And so I'm looking for this to come back down, retest. And in doing so, I'd like to get an entry right there at $77, ride it all the way up $3. So from 77 to 80 is Big Rob's play. And I will announce a trade alert if we do start pulling back. If I see that we are heading back down over here, I'll let you know, and I'm gonna say I'm gearing up for it unless something else fundamentally changes, but it's probably my move there. And then I got that $80 not only off of the measured move, but you can see that we found some resistance here prior at right where we're at. So I do think that we'll likely see a bounce because we've seen 77.77 act as both support and resistance here on when it flipped character. So I do think that we probably will get one more resistance, one more bounce back down, which then could take you up to that luxurious $80 mark, which is something that we were at regularly back on the 7th a week ago. So,
you know what I'm eyeing, man? I think Hyperliquid is Hyperliquid looks like a potential short here. So we pull up here. I'll pull up mine. Beautiful. Thank you. So Hyperliquid, it's a 5-minute time frame coming off a red dot. Also have some bear div here. Okay. Higher highs, lower highs on our side. That is bear div. Also, if this pans out and we don't clear this high of around 66,126, you're looking at a head and shoulders pattern here on Hyperliquid on the 5-minute time frame. We've gotten a bounce at the 50 MA once, twice, now 3 times. But expecting, if this thing does play out, we're expecting Hyperliquid to break down for a nice potential short opportunity. And let's take a peek at what that would look like in terms of a measured move. Let's go from there. And I mean, if we take it from where it is now, we're almost at the POC in terms of volume. So that's likely where I'll have my TP. So let's take a look at what a short would look like with Hyperliquid. Put it there. Let's put our stop above the high and our TP down here. That is a 2.3 to 1 trade setup. Now, you guys know we want to stay at around at or as close to 3 to 1 as possible to give ourselves some room in terms of our what percentage of trades we have to win. And then here's the 1 minute. 1 minute looks bearish. 1 minute looks very bear flaggy. Fresh red dot on the 1 minute. What does this look like if this is an entry now? Let's say we put our stop on the 1 minute, make this a 1 minute trade. That gives us a 2.85 to 1 trade setup. That's something I would take. I'd love to see what it does here on the 1 minute time frame. 21 minute or the 21 MA is where price is right now. So do we get a bounce here? We broke that level once, came back. This would be the first retest of the 1 minute time frame. You see we're catching a bid right now. We got a wick down to that 21 MA. Kind of, playing hide and seek over here. And then your 200 is right below. And so if you want to wait for confirmation, see what the 200 does. Put your stop above that recent wick or that recent high. Take it down to that 5-minute TP. That gives you a 3.86 to 1 trade setup. But the 5-minute time frame, for a 5-minute entry, I would love to get another small push up to create that right shoulder. I was talking JP, you've seen a little bit of a potential head and shoulders here on Hyperliquid coming off some bear div. And so going against the grain with the rest of the market, Bitcoin going up, the alts are kind of going up. And, can we nail a scalp on Hyperliquid for a short? Maybe look down the lower time frame for some potential confirmation. This is a clear rising channel here on Hype.
Yeah. Trend up to break down, my friend.
Trend up to break down. That's what that looks like. Or trend up to go parabolic, right?
Exactly. Good point.
So, I don't know. I'm feeling a short here on the 5 and the 1 minute time frame. There we go. 1 minute losing the 1 minute losing the 200 MA here. Red dot just printed. Stokes curving down. RSI sitting at 36.5. Red X on Market Cipher B. Coming off of a pretty steep, steep bear flag? Do we wait for a bullish retest here? I don't even like that. Let's get rid of that. I don't like how that looks. It looks terrible. Get off my chart. I don't like you.
Get out of here.
Get out of here. What you doing over here? Oh, look at that. That's a more pronounced 2 minute. That 2 minute looks pretty bearish too. Oh no, does this look bullish or bearish too, man? Hyperliquid.
It's bullish for sure.
You think this is bullish?
Absolutely bullish. I mean, could it be potentially bearish? Absolutely, with the bearish divergence, right? It's a bullish trend, clearly. I mean, the thing is going up, right? Higher highs, higher highs, and lower highs, right? It could potentially be bearish with the divergence. You know, this could be a divergent play, sure. You know, is there a clear bear div? Absolutely, clear bear div. It's potentially this reminds me of like the weekly. Like if you know, the weekly is still bearish. The daily is still bearish, but there's a lot of potential for bullishness from the divergences. But we got to get the move right. So I understand, and I understand you're looking for a change in trend here, right? That looks like a very brittle trend too. It's going like straight up, like kind of diagonal, right? You're looking for a break in trend, but the reality is it could keep going up. But hey, I understand the play if you want to take it.
Well, here's the thing. The one thing I'm looking at the 1 minute here. If this is in fact a bottom, we have bull div on the 1 minute on the bottom, right at the 200 MA. And so some conflicting, and you'll get a lot of noise, you know, staying on the lower time frame. So if that happens, I like to go to the higher time frames. And if I don't find an opportunity to put a trade in, I just move on from this one, and I just go to a different coin, different time frame. So this one, we're at the bottom end of the range, right? So if we're going to continue to go up, right, now would be the time to buy. Okay, now would be the time to buy. You have some confluence there with the 21 MA. Right, you rotate to the top of that range. You put your stop below this would be a very tight stop. I mean, that's a okay. How about right there, like the 4.6 to 1, very very tight stop loss. That would look something like entry at around 65,513. Let me just do this. The entry would be at 65,519. Our stop would be at 65,382, and our TP would be at 66,160. That would be a long, right? 21 MA bounce, rotating to the bottom end of the range, expecting it to rotate back to the top of the range. If that does, but ultimately, I think this thing does break down. Does it need Bitcoin to break down for it to do that? Potentially, yes. Zooming out on the 15 minute, though, this looks like a cup and handle here. Rounded bottom, double bottom. Look at that. Double bottom, grab that liquidity down there on a wick, and then started that channel that really you can draw all the way down to here. Okay, this has been trending up for a while. Go something like this. Let me get rid of market cipher so we can see a little clearer. And let me hide my moving averages. Something like that. All right, coming off a double bottom, creating this tight range, and it gets tighter, right?
So that's some big news.
Big news, what you got?
Big breaking news. U.S. House just passed legislation to abolish daylight savings time. No more daylight savings, no more changing that stupid clock.
Thank God.
And we got one universal time code here across United States.
Yeah, but it has to pass the Senate.
Yeah, and the president got to sign it, which he wants to sign it. I know it. Will the Senate pass it? They should.
That looked like Jeffrey Ross from the roast.
The whole thing is that there's
also,
no.
You have Kylian Mbappe when it was time to win a playoff game in Dallas.
World Cup's almost over.
There's another one.
All right, I'm holding in.
Jamal. There we go.
I'm holding on, man.
And lastly, we got Beef Wellington is just another corn dog from a different socioeconomic background.
That's not true. There's no mushroom duxelle in that corn dog there.
Oh, that's beautiful.
It's the same thing, but this one cost 10,000 times more than this one does.
I love it.
Great math.
Yeah.
Great math.
Yeah, thank you.
Anyways,
I
was up in the air on this hyperliquid here.
I think there's better opportunity, man.
You think so?
Yeah, I think there's better opportunity. I mean, could it be a short? Absolutely, man. I mean, I don't want to convince you on of it, but I don't know.
Okay.
Are you looking for a short or long? Does it matter? You just, I don't know.
I'm
what
open.
Are you?
I'm very open.
Okay.
This tells me this eventually break down, but maybe there's another rotation to the top of the range. I don't know.
Yeah.
And because I don't know, I'm not going to trade it.
It may want to even come down a little bit just to make a right shoulder, inverse head and shoulder, right shoulder, potentially. We'll see.
Maybe cup and handy.
Yeah, cup and handy. But I got to say this, man. I'm just, kind of scrolling through the community alt on a 30-minute time frame, and I'm seeing a lot of coins in a flag on the 30-minute. For example, like Stellar Lumens. I like this one that is below the 200, low Stokes green dot. I may speculate on that, and it looks not too bad on the 15-minute too. But that's above the moving average, double golden cross. My trade will look something like this if I take it. But I like the XLM flag. I'm seeing it on other time frame on like AVAX, other coins. Look at AVAX. Look at SWE. Everything's in a flag, cocked and ready to go. Like it's like pick your flag, And is it safe to long flags now?
That's where I'm at, man. I'm on this Solana chart still, and I'm looking here on the 45-minute. It's got a nice. You could say cup and handle here, or you could throw in the inverse head and shoulders. No, it's just a little small baby shoulder, but. It's flagging out of a large rounded bottom, which is just pretty damn bullish. Yet again, I'm just waiting for this thing to pull back a little bit from my entry position, and then I think I'm gonna take this thing long. So we'll see if it keeps coming down.
Look at HBAR on the 5-minute.
HBAR is ripping right now.
5-minute. Yeah, ripping. A lot of things are ripping, man.
Look here on the 1 hour. So here's the biggest gainers on the 1 hour here. You got HBAR was on here a second ago, but Pump.Fund's up a lot. Zcash has just got some tremendous momentum. Zcash is up 12% in the last day, 14 on the week, up 1% right now on the 1 hour. But take a look here, going down the list to HBAR. Where's she at? There it is. HBAR. Oh yeah, up 1% today. It was it had a nice move earlier. If we get into the HBAR chart here, let's take a look. HBAR perp, and let's take a peek here. You said the 5-minute
on HBAR?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty bullish, right?
Flagalicious, baby.
Bullish. Everything is bullish, man.
And you got and even better than a traditional flag is that rounding, right? That means buyers are coming in with confidence versus just a couple straight, large green candles. And so when you make a flag out of a pattern, when you make a flag sloped like this, very bullish, very, very bullish.
You know what I'm seeing here on the 5-minute? If you guys want to front run this, look at if the flag plays out like this, okay? We got Stokes low, right? We got money flow green, VWAP below 0. You have confluence here with a potential, sniping a bottom entry. You got your volume node. You also have your 21 MA right there. Okay. Mm-hmm. Now the semi special would have been, the 21 didn't come below the 200. Maybe there wasn't a semi special opportunity, but 21 bounce, 21 bounce, 21 bounce. Didn't quite get there here. But if this flag fills out the way I have it mapped out, this could be a potential great entry here on Hedera. 21 MA and that volume confluence that it just literally went away. Where'd you go, man? Come back. Jack, come back. Come back. You guys like Titanic the movie? Did you see that movie?
Yeah, of course.
You like
classic movie.
There it is. All right. There's just do it.
Just do it.
There's a confluence there, and so here's another one I'm interested in. So this is going to be an HBAR long, and we're going to project this thing at 6719. 67. Let's go to breakout. Let's go HBAR. We're going to go buy 6719. Wait. 6715 is price there right now? It is. Okay, I like that. All right. Let's put our stop. Let's put our stop below the 6. It's going to be a deep stop. 6681. Let's see what that looks like. 0.06681. TP. Let's go ahead and measure that move, the pull of the flag. I want to take that. I want to take that move. I want to get a little greedy here, man. I want to get just a little greedy here.
Get greedy, man.
And let's take it from there. 6803. I don't think it's going to give me enough. 06803. Let's see what that looks like. 100 to make 275.
100 to make 275.
150 for 393.
Is that like a 2 something?
I like it.
25
a
to
little
1.
less than a 3 to 1. Like, okay. So there it is. I'm in the mood of front run today.
Okay.
Today I'm in a front running mood. And so trade alert, run the trade alert.
Attention, trade inbound. Attention, trade alert. High probability setup found.
You ain't looking at me for.
Follow JP. Sin City Crypto. New trade alert. This is
Come on.
Thank you.
Come on. Sorry.
All right. We're front running a Hedera long. Our entry is at 6.7.
6.7.
0.06715. Our stop loss is at 0.06681. Our TP is the measured move at 0.06803. For a Hedera long, we're doing this on breakout with 2x leverage. And so again, guys, I am abstaining from BitUnix on the show. And I'm only going to do breakout until I get this thing funded. 109K is our target to get a 100K funded account. If you want to take the challenge with David, I challenge you. There's a link in the description. Thank you very much. So I'm eyeing 2 longs now. I got 2 open orders. I got a Bitcoin long open order, and I got a Hedera long open order. So we'll see if it fills. Probably not. Are we getting a breakout from that flag now? If we do, yeah, look at that.
All right, I got a trade alert too.
Okay. All right, let's go. What you got?
Yeah, I like the Algorand flag. I looked at a lot of flags, man. I like this Algorand 30-minute flag. We have the golden cross, the 21 cross, and the 200. We have the 50, look, inbound. About to make a golden cross right now. The trend is green. I love it. I love the flag. I'm going to go ahead and do it. I'm going to enter right about now, or about 0.0844. I'm going to put a stop loss below the super trend on a 30-minute time frame. That'll be at 0.0837.
But this is trade alert?
This is trade alert.
Run the trade alert.
Run the trade alert again, baby. Come on.
Attention, trade inbound.
Woo!
Attention, trade alert.
Thank you.
High probability setup found.
All right.
Time to blindly follow JP. Sin City Crypto. New trade alert.
Okay. This should be just about a 1-to-4 risk reward ratio. Let's just double check here with our long position tool. Entry right there, right at current price. Stop loss right below the super trend. And TP at the next nearest resistance, right about there, 4.67. I like it. 1 to 4.67 risk reward ratio. Let me just fix that a little bit. I'll make it a perfect 4. Perfect 4 risk reward ratio. I'll give you the numbers here, and I'll let you know what the only concern there is. About this trade, because it's always a bullish and bearish case. I mean, I don't even have to break down the bullish case. You see the bull flag, you see the low stochastics. This thing is ready to go. We got a green dot. Bring that up here. Green dot on the 30-minute. What can go wrong about this trade is BTC. I mean, it's very extended. Is BTC going to start dumping out of nowhere and then all the flags fail? All right. We got a little bit of bear div on BTC on a 3-minute on the way up here. So if BTC fails, I mean, all these altcoin flags are going to fail, guys. Just understand that and take that into consideration when you I'm yapping. My trade is over here about to pump. Take that into consideration, guys, when you sizing up for your risk. I'm in the trade now, guys. I'm in the trade. I already gave you the numbers. Entry right around now, or 0.0845.
I followed you on that one. I'm in too, baby.
Let's go, baby. A stop loss, once again, 0.0836, and a TP at 0.0873, just about a 4-to-1 risk reward ratio right there. Algorand long 30-minute time frame, baby.
Okay. So we've had, 3 trade alerts?
I feel like I need to put this in my Meso account too, man. Or maybe the macro.
Put it in the copy account, bro.
Maybe. The copy count, yeah. Don't worry, I'll give you some bangers. The copy count is supposed to be for the 12-hour, but yeah, I'll give you some bangers. Don't worry.
Okay. Think. Okay.
Beautiful.
I think I'm gonna follow you on that too, my friend.
Algorand. It looks like a potential winner there.
Okay, so the entry was, we're just gonna mark it. 30-minute time frame. You go ahead. I'm just putting the trade in. It's
you good? Go ahead and put it in.
You don't gotta wait for me. 873. Let's go. Copy price. TP. Stop below. Where was your stop? Below the wick here?
Yeah, it's below this. Yeah, just below the wick. It's a super trend. I don't have it right now. I just okay. I'll let you know again as I'm going to my macro account right now. I'm about to redo the trade. Have it on 2 accounts. That way I could take profit early on one. Not XLM. Algorand. I liked XLM too, but the flag was a little more flat. I like the structure of the flag on the Algorand compared to XLM. XLM looks bullish too, though, just so you know. But yeah, stop loss is around 0.0837. If anybody needed that stop loss again, I'm putting this in now on a second account. Hey, look at this thing is about to move, bro, like momentarily. So get ready. Get ready to make some money here, guys. This is a trade alert. You wanted a trade alert, didn't you?
He did.
Do it again.
Whoa.
Again?
Whoa. Okay. Sure.
Robin, now you got to give us a trade. Give us a trade. We accidentally ran it.
High probability setup found. Time
you know what?
Follow JP.
I'm gonna go ahead and launch my Solana trade. Might be a little premature, but I'm gonna go ahead and send this. And so I'm just gonna open this and then move my. Let's go ahead and open. All right, so open the trade, and I got my TP at $80 and my stop loss is 77. Okay, that's pretty simple. So let's just go ahead and slide this guy up to 80 and then this guy down to 77. Or no, 70. 75, sorry. No, 77.
Hedera looks good. Looks good too, man. JP, you should look at Hedera.
All right, let's show me again, man. Come on, sell me.
I got into the trade on Hedera.
Sell me.
It filled on breakout. There's obviously it's not perfectly matched to Binance.
So you're projecting a flag that's going to break out?
I got into the trade, yeah, man. And for me, it was on the 5-minute flag, money flow, heavy green. Stokes are. I mean, they're there. They're reset, right? No bull or bear div that I'm seeing. Personally, RSI is already curving up. I got in, I guess if you're looking at the Binance chart right before we tapped the 21. We're trying to get that push up, man. I think we are. Once we clear this volume area, there's really nothing below us there or above us.
I can see it breaking out, but if my honest assessment, man, the flag looks a bit immature to me. It looks very stubby, right?
You want it to play out more.
Very chody looking, you know what I'm saying?
Chody. Chody looking. I have never heard anyone in my life say that. Damn, man, this ain't looking kind of chody up in here, bro.
A little chody flag. I like nice long flags, you know. Like,
you like them long and strong.
Long and strong, okay? But it's bullish. I mean, you're above the 200, above the 21. I mean, you got to pop, and now you kind of consolidate it, and looks like it'll pop off the 21. You know, sure.
Yeah.
Sure. But
you don't sound very convinced. It's okay, man.
Look at his hand.
He don't
look at his hand. He's got 2 singular bills.
Two, man. You know this is.
I got 2 for you.
You cheap guy. You can throw as much as you want, bro. This is not real money, okay? Well,
yeah.
This is real money.
Hey, man, if everything starts ripping, everything's gonna rip, no matter how mature the flag is or not. You know, I like to see a nice extended flag, though.
Okay.
Like, check this out right here. Show my screen if you can, my friend Jake from State Farm. Appreciate you. Yeah, so I got a flag here. Yeah, I like flags that look like that. And then which one? Don't laugh at me. Don't laugh at me. But there was one flag that looked really good, and we might be able to still do it. How about Fartcoin?
Oh, the fart flag?
Fartcoin. Look at that flag.
Robin, this is not your.
Started breaking out a little bit. Robin's looking at it like, like Birdman.
Chick-fil-A.
You know, never mind.
And what else? What else was a sexy flag here? I think flags are sexy when it has
There's
a
flags
little
everywhere.
bit around
I think Cardano even had a flag.
Yeah. Chainlink got a nice flag.
Never mind, Cardano doesn't have a flag.
Cardano waving the white flag.
And I'm looking mostly on a 30-minute here.
Oh, you're struggling at 30?
Ethereum has a very bullish flag. It's like a trend up flag. That's how you know it's bullish.
That's how I
that's
started
very
the
bullish.
show. I started the show looking at ETH.
Yeah.
ETH had such a strong move, and then I moved over to Solana because Solana looked a little. Look at the 30-minute on Solana compared to the 30-minute on ETH.
All right.
You'll
Sorry,
see.
real quick, can I show you this?
Yeah, I'll pull it up while you show it. Go ahead.
This is Litecoin. This looks just like the ETH setup.
Damn.
And look at Litecoin run. Is ETH about to do the same thing? Right?
Maybe.
ETH.
And I got that comparison
Litecoin.
for you.
ETH. Litecoin. Go ahead.
Here's ETH and Solana. There's Solana on the right there. Make sure the same time frame, 30-minute. Yeah, same time frame, 30-minute. There you go.
Yeah, I was liking the setup on Solana a little more so than the one on ETH.
Yeah.
I mean, you got the what do you got? The 200 there. It's been
Yellow line 200. Yeah, the Sol just more recently passed the 200. Looks like Ethereum got looks like a bigger move and now flagging. But yeah, Solana looks healthy. They're both kind of breaking out a little bit. I kind of like to catch it before the breakout, but if you like that extra confirmation that it's starting to break out, I mean, it's there.
What about Pepe?
Pepe.
The
is
very
it
very
meme coin time now?
What's up, bro?
It might be.
Is it meme coin?
That's what I said when I came into the show. I told you guys, pump is moving. Does that mean memes are moving? Pepe's in a very similar flag as like Algorand. Looks very, very similar to what Algorand looked like. You look at some other memes here that I have. Let's look at Whiff. Whiff, not so much. Looks like whiffed. What is the other meme coin that I wanted to take a peek at? It was... So we have Doge, we have Whiff, we have Pepe. Oh, Shib. Same thing with Shib. I don't know, man. These all look like potential flags with massive breakouts. Here's ICP, same thing. Ooh. This is the 15-minute on ICP. Red dot. But. Oh, that's a bearish cross there.
Get out, baby.
That's a bearish cross right there. I thought that was a bullish. Well, it already crossed. Okay, because it crossed once. I thought it crossed again. But this, I mean, it's at the 50. It's got two bounces at the 50 already, right? 1, 2, lost it, came back, is back again, peeking its head and say, hey, it's me again. Can I come in? Is it going to get rejected or is it not? And then your market cipher money flow red. This actually looks a little bearish. Stokes rolling over on the 15-minute time frame. Let's look at the 5. Give me my market cipher A. Market cipher A. 200's right below us. Okay, so ICP is ICP one of the few bearish-looking altcoins here, guys? Because what I'm seeing here is
What you seeing? I think there's a stretch.
It's definitely a stretch. But either way, you can look at this and say,
Yeah. It did roll over on a way. It's supposed to be breaking out, but it rolls over kind of instead. But it hasn't lost to 200 yet. It's shaky. I agree with you. A little bit shaky.
It's kind of trending up to break down. I don't know. This is the 5-minute time frame. We're going to go to the 30. Take a look at what the 30 says. Tons of volume, right? Oh, well, there it moved. Okay, so here's the 30-minute on ICP. Mohammed, if you're watching, close your ears. You know, Mohammed's a big ICP fan. Money flow in the green. VWAP. Ooh. Front runner red dot? Do you see what I see? No one like that song reference?
No.
Okay.
I might have another trade alert though too, man. We should probably look at this quickly if
Go
you
ahead.
want.
Go.
Near protocol, is this ready on the 30-minute as well, man? I like that flag. No bounce yet, but look at that perfect SR flip right there with the 50 in confluence. Low stochastics. No green dot just yet, but how close are we, right? Let's go ahead and look. It hasn't crossed the 0 line yet, and I need to change this to a line here too. It's a bit front running the green dot, I gotta say, but I mean, I don't know, man. No confirmed bounce yet. You might want to wait for a candle close, if you really want extra confirmation. But I don't know, man. Near protocol, no major bear div. This should bounce here. That's an SR flip zone right there, guys. Support resistance flip right here. Do we get into a trade here to the upside for near protocol?
Call it.
Call it. Hold on. Not yet. Don't call it yet. Hold on.
Don't call it.
Let me sketch it out. Let me sketch the risk reward ratio here.
My man Van Gogh over here.
Yeah. Let me sketch, baby. And I hope that this wouldn't fall and then get a lackluster bounce, creating a head and shoulder. Be careful, guys. Things can look bullish, and then in 30 minutes later, everything look bearish. Like that can literally happen. I'm gonna let this one cook, man. I want to see a green candle close here before I get in. But keep this on your radar, guys, and remind me to look at it again. Near protocol, it may be ready in about 20 minutes or 15 minutes. It may be ready if we get a green candle.
Look at XRP.
All right, how's that looking?
XRP, green dot, but. You also have potential tweezer tops up here.
Are we seeing weakness in these charts now?
Well, at least in this one. Let's see. This engulfer did have a little bit of volume behind it. It was a triple engulfer, engulfed the previous 4. Quadruple engulfer. No. 6. It engulfed the previous 6 red candles on this one, and then kind of trended down. If you look at this in kind of a vacuum here, this, you can look at this and say, well, it's kind of bullish because this is a little bit of a micro flag.
We're back at the $65,000 mark, and so keep an eye out here. We've tested this. We came up, hit 65,000, immediately bounced, came down, got rejected, and we're here at the 65 again. They say you knock a few times, eventually you're going to break through resistance. You got 65K there. You also have that inverse head and shoulders shaping up. This is on the 1 minute, so proceed with caution. But I'd like to see a breakout. Would not be surprised for these bullish moves, for these flags. If this breaks out, all those altcoin flags are in a great position to move to the upside.
Interesting. We got a new member here. Surreal. Welcome to the congregation. Hit the organs, please, if you will. We got a brand new member to the congregation. Surreal. Welcome in. You're brand new. We love you. We welcome you. Welcome to Sin City Crypto. All the members here, please welcome Surreal. Chose to buy a membership. Okay. We definitely appreciate that. Appreciate all the support out there in the community and all the members with the exclusive emojis. Can we send it out there? Can we get the exclusive emojis in the chat? And Jacko, thank you for the what? For the jewels? He said that's jewels?
Yeah, it's
nice.
coming in the mail tomorrow.
Ooh.
Just kidding. Yeah, it's like a sticker.
Ooh. Thank you for the jewels.
It's money. It's money.
Thank you for the jewels.
That's what matters. I was just going to talk some crap and say the HBAR trade. So both these trades are in the green. Both the HBAR trade and the ALGO trade that JP gave out. And so did you do you only did the ALGO, you didn't do the near protocol.
I didn't do it. I'm watching it. It just hasn't.
I did all the trades.
Did you do near? You didn't do near yet.
I did all the trades.
So that one I'm doing it.
I did them all.
Yeah, near is a bit risky. It's the riskier one, I think, right now, but it could pay. It could pay. I'm waiting 12 minutes. Okay. I want to see the candle close.
And 5 o'clock's around the corner, guys. That's a daily candle close, yeah?
Yeah, 13 minutes. Get the gong ready.
I've been speculating on everybody else's calls today. I figure I'd just take the day off.
Yeah.
And
he said, yeah.
Pull up my chart. Pull up my screen. Look at this. Across the board, I'm all green on nothing but speculation. And
those are all open trades right now?
They're all open trades.
Went in on the fart
what you got? Go to the left,
I went in on a fart coin too, yeah.
You got near, what's that, farts?
Algorand, my Solana trade, Fart coin.
Oh, funny, because you didn't
And
follow
near.
me on the Hedera trade.
Well, I didn't like that one.
Wow. He follows every trade except the one I give. Okay, it's all good, bro. My trade's I think my trade's up the most. So it's all good, bro. Just keep doubting me, dog.
Somebody said, is there opportunity in XRP? We looked at it already. You mentioned it earlier.
Looked at it. The lower time frame looked a little bit. I think it was a 5 or the 15.
Yeah, I don't like it, man. It's given like
And shoulder vibes.
it's bullish, but it's given like what hype was doing. You know, kind of like that straight up type thing. Straight up, maybe a potential short at some point. I just don't like it, man.
Giving me Dungeons and Dragon vibes. It's like everyone's using their imagination on what.
With the bear div too, like it looks shortable, but it's probably pumpable. You know, it's probably gonna pump, but it looks shortable.
I mean, are we gonna round out that right shoulder?
I don't like it, man.
I mean,
Well, not for a long. I like it
I
for a
was gonna
short,
say,
but at the same
yeah.
time, I'm not trying to short right now when BTC is doing what it's doing.
well, I mean, okay. So let's just hypothetically say we'd like to short it. What would it look like?
All right, above the wicks, it looks clappy. That's what it looks like.
There's tons of volume gaps, though, man. Here's the beauty of it: you can take this down to the 100 MA and get through that volume gap. Come to the 100, you're at 3.1 to 1.
Yeah.
Take it down to the 200 MA, which if you're going to do that, you might as well take it down to the next volume POC. That's a 5 to 1. So maybe half TP here, half TP there, or 50, 75% here, 25% there. I don't know, but the only thing is we're above the 21 on the 15. Let's look at the lower time frames. 5 minute. I saw Blood Diamond on the 5 minute. Coming off some hidden hidden bull div. That looks like it's already playing out, but I just can't. That 15 minute to me looks very head and shouldery, unless this thing just wants to mini bull flag break to the upside after that big engulfer. So
You see all those continuation diamonds on Market Cypher A.
yeah,
right?
yeah, I
A
know.
lot of yellow diamonds going on there.
I know.
Just looks clappy, but I agree. Slanted head and shoulder.
I mean, if this is in fact the shoulder, this would be a pretty clear head and shoulder at the top of a pattern,
Yep.
or at the top after a big move up. Am I confident enough to short this thing now? No. Unless I see something on the, I don't know, like the 1 hour looks bullish. Oh, okay. That's a sign of weakness on the 30 minute. See, the 30 minute, you can see obviously the 15 minute you can see, but a little unsure, but the 30 minute, was it the 30 that was just on? I'm losing my mind over here, man. Here's that 30 minute. Right, we would need to break above $12.04 to negate that head and shoulder pattern. But again, it's not anything that I'm willing to front run unless we start seeing some weakness on, let's say, the 5 or the 3 minute time frame, which right now we're not. We had that blood diamond there, but price is continuing up. As JP mentioned, those yellow continuation diamonds on Market Cypher A. And then the Heikenashi's telling us this trend, at least this micro trend is just beginning. So if you're shorting this thing, you're kind of going against the bigger trend. But keep in mind, keep in the back of your mind the potential for a head and shoulders here on XRP. But even if it is going to dump, I don't think it's ready yet to dump. And so for me, that's a no trade. I was looking at Uniswap. Someone brought up, I think it was someone who reached out about Uniswap wallet. Let's take a look at Uniswap.
It is not 2020 anymore, bro. Are you using a Uniswap wallet? I know that wallet wasn't around then, but I'm just saying that.
Yeah.
It's time to move up. Time to grow up.
Trying to grow up.
You should
It's like posting on Facebook, man.
You should really shut your mouth if you don't know what you're talking about, OV. Okay.
How much of a value you got locked up in Uniswap wallet?
Robin, all I'll say is if the people at Uniswap are watching, then you are not getting your PTZ cameras, my friend. Anyways, let's go to the 4 hour here on Uniswap. Potential front run of
Uniswap.
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah, Uniswap.
Oh, yeah.
Thought you meant Unibrow.
Oh, no. That was definitely 2020 Anthony Davis.
Because I know you got one of those loaded up.
I do, but it's hidden underneath the razors. Fucking guy. Welcome back, Rob. I'm excited to have you. So excited to have you.
What a life.
Here is. Did you miss him? Did you really miss him?
I really did, man.
All right. Okay. So here's a 4-hour on Uniswap. Bullish or bearish? Bullish or bearish on price action here?
On Uniswap, it's bullish but shaky. I do see what could be a slanted head and shoulder. I could see that, but the price action is bullish so far. I mean, is it a lower high? Yes, but is it done? We don't know. You know what I'm saying? That could put in a higher high. It's a flag to me. It's a flag that's breaking out. It's bullish as of right now.
And this is a 4-hour, by the way. It's not a small time frame. This is a 4-hour pattern here. We can draw something like this, right? Do we catch a rotation to the bottom end of the range? Also, I know we like to see head and shoulders coming out, forming after a big move up, and vice versa. Inverse head and shoulders forming after a big move down. But there is you have your lower low rounded out bottom. Are we going to put in a higher low, maybe tap the 21 MA? Or here's a good thing. Even if we do rotate to the complete bottom end of the range here, this is still that inverse head and shoulders. If you see it, and if you want to use it, that would still be intact. Okay, that's the 4-hour. Here's the 2-hour. Fresh red dot on the 2-hour with Stokes curving down. Okay. We're kind of in no man's land though, right? We're at a high volume area here, high volume node right around 3.65, 3.67. Bottom end of our range on the 2-hour has our 21 curving up, about to cross above our 50. I don't like that volume on this red candle is there it is. You're like, I don't like that. I'm a big volume guy, man, and I don't like that. It hurts my feelings, you know?
Yeah, a little, okay.
He's like, yeah.
With you, man. We feel for you.
Oh, man. And then just looking at some of the, here's market cipher B on the 1-hour time frame. Could we be putting in a head and shoulders on the momentum wave here? That means we get another spike up. That would be bearish on momentum, meaning the momentum would curve down. VWAP is trading at minus 13. So clearly below, but money flow has stayed in the green. In fact, as VWAP was coming down, money flow was continuing to go up. Although it was starting to clip and round out, it is still pretty decent in the green at 6.5. And so a little divergence there between money flow and actual price action. On the 1-hour, it looks like we are putting in a higher low. If this is in fact a low and Uniswap attempts to break out of this 4-hour flag that we have going on here, a little bit of a triple bottom here towards the end of that pattern. Then here's your 30-minute time frame on Uniswap. See if we can catch any discrepancies between any of our indicators and price. Looks like if we wanted to, we can potentially front run a green dot on the 30-minute time frame. Here's the 15 coming off of a fresh green dot.
All right, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and close out my fart coin for $100.
Hey,
just gonna market close this.
Drop the money, baby. Drop the money. We cashing out.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Made a quick $100. There it is. Put that in the bank.
Hey,
Gracias.
show us the thing, man. Come on, show us the percentage. Come on, make it big. Let's celebrate.
All right, where's it?
We always make fun of claps. We got to celebrate the licks too.
Go to order history.
Order history.
Go down.
It's down.
Position history I think is up top right there.
Yeah,
Position, right there. There you go.
I got a lot of red in the
Click on
chart.
click on the little Wi-Fi button.
All right, here we go.
8%.
That's not the right button, but that's fine. It shows us. I like it. It should be the little share button right there. It makes it like the
this one.
the cute little picture.
There she is.
There you go, cute little picture. 108%.
Yeah, that's right. I had a couple losses here. I was taking some L's, so.
As LeVar Ball will say, never lost. I never
Even
lost.
when I lose, I win. I love it.
He said, you lost your life to diabetes.
I love it, man. Good job, man. I love to see my people win, man.
That's right.
All right. Let's see what's going on here.
I'm thinking about what he said about his leg. Okay. Anyways, sorry.
All right. How's BTC looking? Going sideways right now? Still in bullish consolidation? Are we still bullish? We're not dumping yet. I'll give you guys an update on the casino here. We haven't looked at it in a while. We're back into that supply zone. BTC up in the supply zone right now. We're on a pull to the downside, but still pushing up. Interesting. 5-minute Hakanashi candle still green. The trend, they have this new like moving average trend line here in the casino. It's green. It's green and bullish. 75 on the demand. Just 16 trades per minute. 16 to 20 trades per minute. Starting to rise a little bit here, but a little bit slow still in the order books, guys. A little bit slow on what's today again? I don't even know again. Is it Wednesday or Tuesday?
It's Tuesday.
Tuesday.
It's been a long week so far. We're only 2 days in, man.
Seriously. Long week, man. But this should be a good day for trading.
Well, we're seeing volatility across the board. Zcash up 14%. Siren, never mind. Never mind on that one too. I'm just kind of going through my injective protocols up 8%. Someone said look at AXBT. I'll definitely look at that one. In fact, let's look at that one right now. This is one. So my entire Venice position came from holding AIXBT. I got a fat airdrop because I was an AIXBT holder. So I will always love AIXBT, although I don't hold any anymore. Someone said look at it on the weekly. Right?
Double bottom.
Said,
hey guys, it's just about time for that weekly candle. I mean, daily candle close. Get ready. We're like seconds away.
Oh, the gong?
Yeah. Yeah. I could pull up a gong here, but I don't know, Jake. Do you see a gong sound over there? Okay. You got it. What a champ. I love it, man.
I mean, he's been on State Farm for so long. They got a good training program over there, you know? And that chicken sandwich.
We got Jake from Allstate in the control room. Ah, man. Are you guys ready? There you go. 5 o'clock. Hit the gong, baby. Is it bullish? Is it bearish? Is it monkish? Thank you so much. That's extremely bullish. Yeah, very bullish, guys.
That's like retarded bullish.
Bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame, guys. And look, we just passed like a volume gap area. I'm calling it a clap gap, a reverse clap gap to the upside potentially here.
Clap gap.
64.3. Do you see that volume gap? Let's zoom out. How significant is it?
You still need to work on that thirsty thesaurus, bro.
Yeah, I do got to work on that. I'm sorry, man.
For all the definitions.
All right, let's put everything into consideration here with the VRVP. How significant is the gap? When you include this price action over here, it's not that significant, but it could. Look, we're in a gap now. We're in a clap gap right now, which might explain a lot. Right, how we've been moving today?
All right, I'm doing it. I'm kidding. I'm not Robin.
Okay. But the clap gap stops at about 66,000, guys. 66,634. And look, it just so happens to be the resistance as well. So I'm projecting, me personally, I could be wrong, that BTC does in fact see about 66,000, close to 67,000 within the next few hours.
Yeah.
67,000 in the next few hours?
Yeah. That's what I'm seeing.
Yeah, this thing, yeah, I mean, that gap is pretty prevalent. If not, it's coming back down to...
Yeah.
Well, I mean, if you're in the $67,000 camp, I mean, we just broke 65,000, and with a little momentum, you know, if we can close a few candles. I know we're here on the 1 minute, but we can get some healthy rotation into the 65 range. Not just wick up, because we wicked here. We were above 65 for 3 candles, so 3 minutes, and that's it, right? Here we touched it for 2 minutes, and so yeah, if we can trade for, you know, the candle close on the daily, we get a few candles here. You know, we get 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20 green candles in the above 65 on the 1 minute. You know, it's these bull flags have been looking at could be in a healthy spot. Long.
And that's a lot of knocks at the door right there, right? To the upside.
That's what I mean, man. It's
knock.
I got a lot of scribbles on here.
It ain't giving up, man. It ain't giving up right now.
Yeah, so I mean, we'll see. I mean, we could of course see a straight rejection come back down, and then do our little 64-8 run again, then round back up. But
and I gotta say this, man. I must put this out here just because I did the daily candle close here. I've been covering the daily candle close, for a while now, a good portion of a month and a half or something like that. And guys, every time this candle closes and a new one opens, we see a lot of volatility for Bitcoin. Trades often play out or get wrecked right now. Daily volatility. So if we go to the 1 minute time frame, is Bitcoin getting the volatility to the upside or the downside? And also keep in mind that it may be trying to create a wick to be the opposite way that the candle will actually close.
So a big wick down now and then it just explodes up?
Exactly. Or the vice versa. Yeah, big move up to even the level I said, maybe 66, and then maybe a major dump then, and then the daily candle closes bearish tomorrow. We'll see.
I mean, that just engulfed the range, the high of the
literally
range, man. I mean, like, how much more bullish do you want it to get?
Yeah. Right now, not too much volatility right now. I got to say, not too much volatility. We had like on the 1 minute, we had like 2 red candles so far. We had a small move up right at the top of the hour, but no daily volatility just yet. But brace yourselves for it, folks. Brace yourselves for daily volatility. And I think it's also important to point out that we had some other candle closes just now. I mean, not only the daily, but we had the 12-hour just close. Look at that candle. Is it bullish? Is it bearish? Or is it monkish, aka neutral? Hit the gong one more time for me, please, Jake. I love that graphic, too. What a beautiful graphic.
The best graphic.
It's bullish, incredibly bullish once again on the 12-hour. How about look at the 8-hour bullish, 4-hour. All right, give me the gong on the 4-hour. I love the 4-hour. Gong it, baby. Gong me. All right. Yeah, pretty bullish, man. Bullish. Is it bullish consolidation? It's still a bullish engulfing candle, just about barely. But this thing is pushing up high Stokes. Interesting. All right.
I'm looking at Zcash.
What you seeing?
Look at Zcash on the weekly. I mean,
it's had a strong move though.
Damn. I'm just looking at that. That was a big move for Zcash.
Yo, this is like... We still got some ways to go to hit this neckline here at around $700. But guys, if this plays out, we're talking about a measured move up to $1,190. Okay, on a weekly time frame for Zcash, and you can trade you can't trade Zcash on big Unix, but you can trade Zcash on breakout. So for those of you that have a breakout account, if you find a Zcash setup, you can trade it right then and there on breakout. I know a lot of these privacy coins, majority of them don't have major listings. But here is the Heikinashi daily. The trend is picking up steam again. That's on the daily. I mean, the Stokes have been up here since Sunday the 5th. So almost 10 days we've had kind of Stokes pinned to the ceiling. Money flow expansion to the upside. Got a green dot here, but we haven't been below that zero line on the VWAP since the end of June. That's on the daily. Here's a 12-hour kind of that time frame coming off some hidden bear div here. Excuse me, hidden bull div on the 12-hour time frame for Zcash. This thing is trending up. Beautiful V-shaped recovery. Can we get something? Very similar to what Hyperliquid was, right? Is this trend up to parabolically break up, or is this trend up and are we expanding? Looks like it is somewhat of a small expansion, right? Meaning it's getting a little more volatile. Instead of curling up, instead of going like
yeah,
price actions like this in the pattern, right? It's more like this, right?
Expanding volatility.
Yes, some call that a megaphone pattern. So that's the 12. Let's look at the 10 on Zcash. I feel like we're gonna find a trade on Zcash here. Let's take a look. 8-hour Zcash. Nothing there. 6-hour. RSI starting to curve over on the 6-hour. Have some confluence here with a high volume node. With our 100 MA, 200's creeping. So we're probably going to get a bullish cross here. 100's going to cross over the 200 if price continues to rally up. We are at the top end of that range, which is something I don't like if you're looking for a long. Maybe a better entry would be to wait for the rotation back to the bottom of the range to get into a long instead of trying to short. And then you can just rotate this to the top of the range, have your stop. I don't know. Shit, you can have your stop below the 200 and give yourself a 3-1 on a 6-hour scalp long. And here's a 4-hour. 4-hour momentum's pretty up. Yeah, look at that. And here's a 2-hour. I don't see any signs of weakness here on Zcash. I just see maybe some consolidation before the next big leg up. And that weekly looks extremely bullish. 15 minutes, seeing a little bit of back and forth here. Red dot, green dot, red dot. 2 baby blood diamonds in a row, though. So this tells me that a rotation to the bottom of the range is probably coming, and then we look for a potential long here. And if you look at the 1-hour, perfect. If we stretch this out, if it comes down here over the next, 2 hours, confluence with the bottom end of your range, and you're at 200 MA on the 1-hour time frame. Give the Stokes some time to reset, and I feel very comfortable longing Zcash here for just a simple 3-1 trade. I mean, this is a perfect 3-1 trade. I mean, to the T. Well,
Are you gonna wait for it to rotate to the bottom of the range first?
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay.
I mean, unless we feel like there's an opportunity to short to the bottom of the range. Do we have any bear div here? We do.
Bear div right there.
We do have bear div.
5 minute. Interesting.
What about the 10? Bear div on the 10 too. Do we? We do have bear div on the 10 on Market Cipher and on the Stokes and on RSI. So we got triple confirmed bear div on the 10-minute time frame. Do we have the cajones to short this thing? Okay, let's play around. Let's see what this looks like for a short. Maybe there's a trade set up here for you guys. 4-1. Oh, I like that. I like that 4-1. Somebody talk me out of this.
Somebody talk me out of this.
It's
too risky right now, man. It's too risky as Bitcoin is bullish and not done with the clap gap.
You think so?
Yes. If you want somebody to talk you out of it.
Rob, now talk me into it.
Every position I have is long right now, so I can't, in good faith, put in a short. Even though,
talk me into it.
even if
He can if he doesn't believe in it.
the one thing I'll say is that if I was to short anything, I'd short Zcash. So if that's your direction, I think you're about a good a play for a short as you can get. So I think it's a good short.
Damn.
I'm just not shorting.
Now somebody said thank you for ALGO. ALGO's ripping right now out of nowhere.
Yeah, boy, up 61% right now. Gracias, courtesy of the Zen Master JP.
Can you show this real quick, Jake? We just want to see this chart. This thing is exploding to the upside. That is a beautiful flag. The Stokes were low, and now you're getting the breakout. So as long as it doesn't give it all back, wow, look at that movement. As long as that doesn't give it all back, this could make another flag, a little mini flag. And hell, what's the actual measured move from the flag? Because I just took the resistance, there, but I just want to see what the measured move is, because it might want to like kind of, reset at a certain point, maybe at 0.0862, or maybe it just keeps going up. But that's the measured move from the flag. If you want a quick profit off of it.
Man, I just got to say, man, if you're watching our show, I mean, how can you not make money, bro? I mean, over the course of all the trades, right? We might not nail them all, especially if you go blindly follow Big Rob, but we win, man. We got a good win percentage out here. And what platform do we trade on, by the way? I know David's taking a break, but I want to give a little shout out to our
BitUnix, baby. We love BitUnix. We also use Breakout. We love Breakout for prop trading, right? Funded trading. But BitUnix is the place, man. 20% deposit bonus right now on BitUnix, up to $2,000 deposit. It's just a simple, great place to trade, man. And being a part of the Sin City community, you know, using our link, you have access to the best support, right? Any issues you ever have with BitUnix, you know, talk to us. You know, talk to us, email us, and we'll get it figured out for you. It's just an awesome exchange. But yeah, 20% deposit bonus and some volume bonuses right now. I'm looking for my graphic right here. It is pinned and ready. There we go. Yeah, the 20% deposit bonus up to $2,000. If you want to show it here, yep. $1,000 gets you a $200 deposit bonus. And then, of course, the volume bonuses. I'm really excited about the 30 million in volume. I'm doing more than and getting a $2,400 bonus. If you do 10 million, you get an $800 bonus. And guys, this is not a competition. This is just
so you're just
bonuses.
You're just winning trades, and then you're just getting an extra juiced up $2,400.
Exactly.
Just for being awesome.
Just for trading. Even if you lose the trades, I mean, you still get the bonus. It's still volume, right? 30 million, baby. Let's go. You got until 18th of July.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, you just use our referral link to get access to those rewards, and we appreciate the support.
This is a trade alert, but don't run the trade alert because it's only for people who are on breakout because you can't trade this on BitUnix. I'm in a Zcash short. I market ordered a short. My stop loss is above the wick here. So this is a short market order, stop loss at 571.17, and we're just simply looking to rotate to the bottom of the range. That's it. This is a 4-to-1. So I think I'm risking, let's see where I'm at. I'm already in the profit too. I'm risking $97 to make 640. That's a 6-to-1. We can lose what? 8 out of 10 of these trades and still be profitable?
7 out of 10, yeah. What was it, a 4 to? What was it, a 4-to-1? I'll pull it up. It's literally right here. Yep. You want to pull up my screen right here? We usually do a 4-to-1, right? 1 to 4 at least. Yeah.
I haven't.
This shows you your risk reward ratios and like how much you need to win, your win rate necessary using a good risk reward ratio. What percentage of your trades you need to win? You only need to win 30%, like 30% with a 1 to 4. And even if you had a 20% win rate, you would be at break even if you were disciplined with the risk reward ratios. Look at that. A 1 to 3, 30%, you're in profit. 30%, that's all you need, 30%. Isn't that interesting?
Very interesting. Sorry, I'm
yeah, a 1 to 5, a 20% win rate, just a 20% win rate with a 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. And with some of the sniper entries we be getting, and some of the mega trades, like I think my Tron one was like a 1 to 5. I've done 1 to 10 before, you know, even upwards of 1 to 20 on some weekly swings. Like just the higher risk reward ratio you set up for your trades, the least amount you need to win. Actually, you know, you can. Your winners really pay for your losers is the idea here with proper risk management.
Amen to that.
Absolutely.
Yeah, Blue Heron said, I haven't got my deposit bonus. Just go ahead and email us, man. We'll take care of it for you, bro. We'll take it straight to the top. Don't worry about going through the classic support. We'll get it taken care of for you. So
all right.
Also, so Jay Constant said, Tau, please. Clap Zen Prophet said, just downloaded BitUnix, looking forward to following some of those trades I haven't been able to hit. Well, we look forward to making money with you. And then there was another one. Oh, someone said something about, oh, there it is. Adam said, is there bear div on Bitcoin? What time frame? And then Learn and Joy said, check Algo. Thank you for Algo. You're welcome. I think we was talking about the breakout we had there, which is still breaking out here. Look at that. What do you think about that wick though, man? Does that bug you? Is that scary?
Algo? Doesn't bug me, but I mean, it could be concerning if Bitcoin rolls over. Imagine Algo just, and we talked about this before we even got into the trade. So it was part of the assessment. If BTC rolls over, forget about these flags, man. But then again, you never know. Some of these whales I feel like they pick a random coin for the day, right? Let's pump XLM today.
Hey guys, what should we pump today?
Seriously. But I would never count on that, guys. I would never count on it. Just be careful. Be careful. BTC could roll over, and ALGO could become a loser. You could put the anti-clapper on already. I'm not just yet. I'm fine. It's a 30-minute trade. Yeah. So, like, we have some insulation here for volatility. It's okay.
Yeah.
You know?
Sure you don't want to take that $4 profit, G?
Absolutely not.
What percentage is that, by the way?
Let's see. Just 9% right now. 9%, yeah.
Cool.
That's it, baby.
I mean,
I'm only using 20%. Sorry, 20x.
You say that's it. But
you want me to increase my ROI, man? You want me to increase it? Look at this. Look how easy I can increase it. Look, 75x.
No. I'm saying. I'm saying.
Look, now I'm up 35%.
Oh, wait. How'd you do that? You're already in the trade.
It's manipulative. No, I'm kidding. Well, what it is I'm using less margin now. Look, $18 in margin versus whatever the hell I was using before. You can change your margin mid-trade. Well, not your margin. Well, yes, your margin, but your leverage. When you change your leverage, it changes your margin. Yeah, look, go back to 25x.
Hold on, because I don't even know this. You're already in a trade.
Mm-hmm.
You can change your leverage?
Yeah, mid-trade, simply. I always do that. I always put my trade as much leverage as possible because, like, for example, this TRX trade. Look, this is a risk-free trade. My stop loss is into break even. What is the point of putting up more margin when I don't have to? You see what I'm saying? Like, I'm at $44 in margin. I don't think I can even go higher on this. Yeah, I'm on 75x. But why do 25x? I mean, I guess the reason would be is you want your liquidation further or something like that. Or I don't know. Maybe it's margin issues, but
here's
my position size is at a point where it doesn't matter. Go ahead.
Here's my question, though.
Yeah.
If your stop loss, if you're using cross margin and your stop loss is more than what your margin is, what does it matter what your margin is?
Exactly. Whoa. Actually, it does matter. What it matters is it frees up my margin for other trades.
Bingo.
If I use less margin.
There it is. Okay.
You see what I'm saying?
There it is.
So instead of 129 and 25x, I'll just put it on 75x.
You know what?
And only use freaking 44.
I can't do that on breakout yet. We don't need to on anyways. The margin. The only thing you can 5x trade is Bitcoin. Everything else I think is like 2x. Yeah, Bitcoin you can 5x leverage. But anyways,
capital efficiency, my friends.
Interesting. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Very, very interesting. Okay.
Put it like this, especially if you're in break even already. Like, why? Like, what's the point? Free up your margin, man. Free it up.
Yes, but I guess the important thing would be to make sure you are on cross margin.
Exactly.
Because it'll mess with your liquidation price.
That's true. But here's the dangerous part. Even on cross margin, just because you free up that margin don't mean you get into 10 other trades. Don't just use all your margin because you have free margin. That's what makes high leverage dangerous.
Yeah.
Okay? It's okay to not be in 10 trades, guys, okay?
Yes, it is totally okay. All right.
Guys, bottom's in.
All right.
Bottom is in. I figured it out. I did the math.
I think Robin has Tourette's.
So
it's random.
You figured it out. Come on, break it down to us.
I've been over here in the lab this whole time, okay?
Come on, sausage man, break it down.
Lab? Did someone say lab?
Someone say lab.
In fact, can we get some vetoes? Does anybody have an appetite to look at lab or freaking what was the other one? Siren.
Okay, I got weekly pulled up. I'm looking at macro. I'm trying to figure out is the bottom in. Okay. You trying to leave on my course here? This is a short course, all right? So look.
We'll see you later. We'll see you later.
No. You know what, man? Okay. Yeah. Screw your analysis, bro. You took every trade except mine. I don't want to hear your dumbass analysis.
Yeah, we'll see you later.
Anyways, you want something to drink?
No, I got my own
you're
drink,
leaving
man.
too? Oh, that's fucked up. I wanted to get some water.
I'm joking.
We can't both.
I'm joking. That's disrespectful.
No, I'm good. Don't worry, you're gonna miss out on this bottom indicator. I just got.
Missed out on my trade.
Yeah.
Dang. All right, so check it out. Last bull market started 10,000, right? It ran peak, and then ultimately it sold off. You got the bear market, right? And so I said, okay, where did this start, right? Where did the bull market kick off? Price was at $10,000, and then it shot up, right? So price went from 10,000. That was a starting point. So if you say, like, what was that move? The move from 10,000 up was 70, it was a 5x. So let's see here. Ultimately, yeah, or 6x. Okay, so 5 to 6x from where we started. 6x. So I also took the corresponding downside pull. So I said, hey, how far did this price come down? And so from top to bottom on the last bull market was 75% drop. Okay? So now this market cycle, we didn't get because the bull market it returns less and it also drops less every cycle. So we didn't get a 5x out of this cycle. This cycle we got, let's see, from the starting point here, not from the very bottom of the last bull market, but here we went up to 3.5x, right? So we got a 3.5x move. So then I was like, okay, what would be the corresponding if you took the same ratio in the down? I'm not good at math. So I put this in ChatGPT.
Oh.
I said, hey, price went up 5%, pullback 75, then it went up 3.5x. What would be the expected pullback if you took the same ratio? Anyways, I asked Chat because I'm not smart enough for that.
This dude used Chat. Come on,
And so Chat said the expected pullback will be 52.5%. Okay, this isn't my brain. This is AI and all the compute power. So then I go over here and I'm like, all right, what was the top here, and what is 52.5%? Bam, right where we're at $60,000. Bottom is in. That's all I got.
Ah, that's actually
Jake, you're hired.
That's actually not
I'm
completely...
just saying, man. I'm a man of history and pattern. I'm just want.
He's a historical guy, you know.
60,000. That's the bounce.
Okay,
52.
It's not completely terrible. I gotta say, it's not.
52.5%.
It's not a terrible analysis. It's not.
He said it's not completely terrible.
Hey, it's very
I
possible.
feel like that's another backhanded compliment.
A lot of potential there in that analysis.
Yeah.
Oh God. Okay. Bottoms in, folks. Long it all. Schlong it all.
Okay, I am sorry, I'm like messing around here with my trade. There we go. Okay.
What you got?
Shoulda, woulda says they have something that shows that too. Somebody agrees with you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda, but did he? I'm here all day. Thank you very much. Okay. Let's take some community requests. Someone said Tau. I'm going to go through the chat here real quick. We have 447 people watching. And only
I got Tau ready.
Only 4 chat rate. Come on, guys.
Oh, yeah. How's the like count? How are we doing on the like button, baby? Can we clap the like button? Can we go?
We used to be able to see that on YouTube. Oh, you got to go switch it to... No, that's view.
Yeah, what's up with that?
Yeah, Rob, do you remember back in the good old days? We used to be able to see the concurrent viewers and then the likes.
It doesn't show likes anymore, but yeah, I mean, you get the viewers.
The bottom, I think it's on stream settings and then go to the bottom.
Right here?
No, that's not it. I'll show you mine. Let me see. Yeah, I know where it is. Yeah. Stream settings, and it should show in the little right box right there. Stream settings, and not that stream settings. Right there. See, is it right top left? Right there. Here you go.
Here you go. I found it. I feel like that guy from that movie Dinner for Schmucks.
Okay.
Talking about finding that one piece of the woman.
I don't know, man.
Have you guys ever seen that movie? I don't want to say the word.
Crickets?
Say the word.
I don't know.
What'd you say?
Crickets? I don't know.
No. Oh, you want him to do crickets for me?
Sorry.
Yeah. So we're at 160 something likes. Okay. So request. So I got Tau.
Okay.
I have. Start throwing some requests in the chat, my friends. We'll take a peek. If you're in any trades, throw them in there. We'll take a look. Tad, the digital era said in the green on my Bitcoin short.
Nice.
Someone's veto lab. Okay, good. You can 5x Bitcoin and ETH on breakout. Yes, you can. Oh, ETH as well. Yes, you are correct. But the bearish cycle is not done if you follow the previous 3 Bitcoin cycles. Bearish should end in October. We say that. Robin.
I'm not saying it won't chop sideways. You know, the back to where I was saying is that, you know, when you did get the last cycle, you did get a lot of consolidation here at the bottom of the bear market. And so we went from May over to February. And so if the similar chop happens at the bottom of the bear market, you would expect, you know, this was so May to February, so about 7 months. And so that would take you chopping around here. So from June to December, right? Maybe October. I can see it. Yeah.
Okay.
Something like that.
We also got put a Kaito, K-A-I-T-O on the list. Put Doge. Someone said Dash. Why don't you look at Dash, Robin? The Dash master over here.
Dash.
This guy, I remember when he was...
Dude, I earlier this year I had what was it, like 40 million in trade volume for Dash?
Yeah. Yeah, on
just
Coinbase.
On Dash alone?
Yeah. On Coinbase.
On Coinbase.
Paying those crazy ass fees. Chainlink. And someone said, why are you guys not shorting Lab?
I mean, saw that. Can we just veto Lab from the chat? Like, seriously.
They did. Well, one person.
I'll just say this. I'll pull it up. Look at this chart right now on Lab on a daily. That thing is beat the hell down. I got to say, man, it's just like, how much more do you want to squeeze out of this coin?
This is one of them Anthony Fauci labs. They gain a function at?
Yeah.
Going up.
This is one of those coins that I would, you know, if I were a DJ and I'm not, I would be looking to long this, if anything, not short it. Like, it's at the bottom of any range that it even had, you know, at any point. Look at that. It's at the POC at the freaking daily. That thing is beat down, beat down, beat down. I would not just jump into a short at this level. Are you kidding me? And why am I even looking at this?
What are you doing?
Why am I even? I would not jump into a short. I would not jump into a long. I would banish this from my chart forever.
Gone.
How do I block a coin?
This fool said, how do I block a coin?
I want to block it. I want it out of my life. I never want to see Lab again.
JV, you're funny.
I swear.
You are a very funny guy.
All right.
You can always just not look at it. No, that's
I guess that's an option. All right. I got Tao ready when you're ready. I don't know if you got your coin ready you want to look at for the community.
I'm ready when you're ready.
All right. Here's Tao. The daily time frame has been retracement for some time, and I saw some people in the chat talking about what's up with Tao. Why is it not pumping with everything else? And it's a good question. I have no idea, man. That daily looks suspect. It's like an indecision on the daily when Bitcoin had a freaking engulfer, a huge engulfer closing the clap gap. Let's go down some time frames. Here's the 4 hour. It looks bearish on Tao. There is a green dot there. There's a green dot, I got to say, from when we did have a big green candle coming in. But like, it's still in this range, and it's just so bearish looking from what I'm seeing. Here's the 30-minute time frame. And remember, the 30-minute, everything else was in a nice flag. I guess you can call that a flag right there for Tao. There you go. It's not too bad. There's a flag. There's your flag on Tao. Maybe Tao's one of the best opportunities because it hasn't really gotten a move yet. I don't know, but
Tao's price action has been absolute shit. When was the last time Tao was over $300?
Zoom out. Over $300. That was way back here, man. Over here sometime. Was that May?
May.
Yeah.
2 months ago was the last time Tao was over $300. Does that mean I'm out on the coin? No. Does that mean I've sold my coins? No. Does that mean I don't believe in it? No, it doesn't. But it still sucks. My largest position, you guys know that. You guys know this is my largest bag, Tao. It hurts temporarily, but I know it'll feel real good later.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks crazy, man. The best thing I can say is the flag. Like, is that a flag that's going to break out? That's like the best thing I can say on the smaller time frames. It looks like a flag, just like everything else. Yeah, and there's your big move up, I guess, with BTC earlier this morning. It did get a move up, a nice bullish move around 5:30 a.m. our time, 6 a.m. our time. Tau got a big move, and it has been retracing ever since. I got to say, maybe just draw a fib. Maybe draw a fib. Maybe there's a long on Tau at some point. Look, we're at the golden pocket right now. We're at a golden pocket on Tau from the move earlier today. What if I take it from the very, very bottom? Yeah, it still tapped a golden pocket, and now getting closer to the 50%. I would go to the small time frames and look for, the small time frame to agree with a bounce. Maybe once the 1 minute crosses the 200, maybe a potential long on Tau. But yeah, that flag is the most bullish thing I've seen, like on a 30. But everything else looks a bit suspect. Yep. All right, what else you guys got?
Hold on, man. Hold on.
What's up?
So you're saying we should long this thing?
Maybe once across the 1 minute. So the thing is, like, this flag could be longable at some point, especially after pulling the fib. I mean, that was a trend down to break up. You already got the break up. Now in retracement mode, just need that bounce, right? Just need that bounce. Similar to ALGO, right? Nice flag. When I entered it, it didn't, no, it was near. Was that what it was? Well, this didn't have the breakout either. Let's be fair. ALGO didn't have the breakout. But at the same time, it wasn't like dumping, right? It wasn't dumping. I think it at least had a green candle. I think a good example would be near protocol. Let me just bring that up one more time. Remember, I was waiting for that too on a 30. Let's take a look at, no, not lab. Not lab.
I was gonna say, what the hell?
But yeah, look at this. Yeah, this thing still looks like it's falling. Like it looks, the structure is bullish to me, but it's just, there's no small time frame confirmation just yet. It tried to get bullish there and reject it. If near crosses the 1 minute 200, I may long it. Same as Tau. If Tau can get above the 1 minute 200 MA and start to bounce that 30-minute flag, I may entertain it.
Don't you see on near, don't you see a head and shoulders on that, what was it, 30-minute or the 50?
30-minute right there.
I mean, it hasn't, obviously, that shoulder hasn't been created yet, but.
You mean it could create one right
if we're
there?
Projecting, bro. I mean, obviously not something you want to front run because you don't know where the peak of that right shoulder is going to be.
Yeah, exactly.
But you want to take that risk of, I mean, I guess if you get in at the 50 and you take it up to the 21, but where are you going to put your stop loss? It's going to be
I got to say, I was waiting for the 30-minute candle close, and I don't really like that 30-minute candle close. I got to say, got rejected from the 9 MA. Red candles still. All right, so I'm still waiting on there. I'm not getting into this coin. You know, it may touch the 50, maybe it'll bounce there. I need a green candle. I need to maybe break above support, above resistance, something. I don't have enough on near for me to go ahead and long it just yet.
okay.
BTC getting a bit bearish, lost the 1 minute 200 in May. Is this the beginning of a real downturn? And could this be the daily volatility I spoke of earlier?
You did speak of daily volatility, and is this going to be the wick to the downside for continuation up, or
Yep.
are we going to see one of those bullshit ass candles where we see an engulfing daily, and then the very next candle engulfs that engulfer? Remember those lovely patterns? Good times, right?
No. But somebody said yesterday TRX stop loss hit. That's not true. There's no way, man. I'm still in the trade. This thing is lovely right now. I had a trade alert for TRX. I'm up 32% right now, my friends. No SL hit. Okay.
That was what, a long?
That was a long, yeah. TRX long. I longed it yesterday. Trade alert on my evening stream. TRX is still valid, my friends. This is the trade, and I'm still in it.
Looking at yeah, I was looking at Bitcoin. I think it was on the 15-minute. This to me looks very bearish, man.
It is bearish, short-term bearish.
On the lower, yeah, on the lower time frame. So where does that put us with our Algorand position, right? Does that put us? You ran a long on a flag on the 15 or the 30?
It was a 30-minute
flag on the 30.
Yeah. Yeah, how are we looking? Do we need to, apply anti-clappers, protect ourselves here, not lose anything? Or, are we safe with the volatility with the bigger time frame? Is that the question?
Yeah, I guess. I mean, we got in on the 30. There's a 30 telling us that we should abort mission here.
Not to me. The only thing concerning is that wick, right? Is that wick like a top, like a mini top, That wick and then the bearish engulfing candle coming in right now?
I mean, we had a wick there. I mean, here, just like identical wicks here, okay? Here and here. Price dumps. Does price dump?
Possibly.
I don't know. I mean, I'm still in the trade. I think I got stopped out of Hedera, but I'm still in Algorand and Zcash, and they're both in the green, so.
I'm holding, baby. I'm like Rob on this one, man. Anti-clapper, what?
On Algo?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think stop loss is 83.88.
Yeah.
That's where you have yours, right?
Oh, yeah, let me just double check here. Algorand. Mine is at 0.0844. No, hold on. Let me make sure. 0.836, it looks like.
836. So yours is a little lower than mine.
Yeah. 30-minute super trend just below it.
I like where mine is.
Yeah.
You went over the SL hit. 2 Tau subnets were compromised. I saw that. David about to get TP into Bitcoin. Oh, that's right. I do have that order still open for Bitcoin
do?
long. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see. Don't forget about it now.
No.
Do you still want it?
64,626 was my level. Let's look at 64,626 for Bitcoin.
Whoa.
I thought you were burping. I was like, yo, that's a
That's
wow.
my stomach, man.
Oh, that was your stomach.
I think I might have some contaminated lettuce, man.
Explosive diarrhea.
Explosive.
An All right, we're not going to go down that road.
Yeah, let's not go down that route.
Do I still want to keep this trade open?
Yeah, somebody asking too, is BTC limit still valid? Is it valid? Echo, we're looking. We'll let you know, man. We'll let you know.
Yeah. Even if we see a spill off and it turns into some sort of, I'll take the move up on the flag.
Ooh. Somebody said Solana, nice price entry too. I'm going to take a quick look.
Solana what?
A nice price entry, somebody said. I don't know if they telling the truth or not, but, we got community members giving us hints on some trades here.
Dropping low, wink, wink.
Wink, a wink, a wink. Yeah, I don't like it. It's bullish, but I don't like it. I need better entries, my friend. I'm seeing bear div everywhere. I'm seeing bearish divergence. And I'm going to take a peek at the casino again.
Do you see this as bullish consolidation or bearish?
As bullish consolidation for sure. But there's bearish a structure within that bullish consolidation. I see a complex head and shoulder within what could be a bull pennant. A bull pennant, potentially.
I mean,
or bull flat. It's bull something. It's bullish consolidation with bearish market structure within that consolidation. It's a bear within the bull.
I mean, how do you even draw this? Are you?
Yeah, just take the lows, man. It's just sideways. It's sideways after a move up. By definition, it's bullish consolidation.
We've already broken the range once, twice on a close. I don't know, man. I don't.
What it looks like is going sideways, but I mean, by looking at the momentum and just what can happen, especially with BTC, it looks like it can make a deeper retracement, which could make it short-term bearish, a longer-term bullish once it bounces from, a fib level or something like that. Yeah, that looks so familiar. Yeah, I was gonna long that. It was even between that or ALGO, and believe it or not, I went for ALGO, and I'm glad I chose ALGO.
Oh yeah, XLM or ALGO?
Yeah, I was thinking about longing this exact flag you're looking at right now on XLM. I'm glad I didn't choose this one because it's a bit shaky.
Yeah, I mean, this is a 30-minute.
Yeah. Don't get me wrong, it was a bullish move, but it's just going sideways and it's ready for a potential pump or a deeper retracement.
Looking for any. Yeah, I'm not really finding an edge on that one. At least it doesn't look ready to go. What about something stupid? What about render? Momentum looks like it's curving up on render. Stokes pointing up. RSI still pointing down though. Do we front run a potential green dot here? If we do get a green dot, I mean, here's the thing. Like every time this thing has come down, it's been almost a V-shaped recovery, right? Here, V-shape, V-shape. This one was kind of V-shaped. This one was a little more rounded on the bottom. But here you go, V-shape. So what does that mean? That means every time momentum waned down there, it reversed pretty sharply. And so that tells you buyers stepped in. They stepped in quickly, and they stepped in with size or enough size to move the price fairly quickly.
What's going on with Ondo right now, man?
Why? What's Ondo doing?
Look at it.
What the hell is that?
That's the 5-minute. It's a flag like everything else, but it's breaking out. Remember I mentioned like sometimes they just pick a coin?
Is this what they pick?
Is this the one? Ondo getting a big move right now on a 5-minute, and look at that on the 30-minute. It's the same flag as everything else. The same flag, just breaking out. Or is it just, people, is it front running what BTC could do here?
I don't know. Is Ondo that guy?
It might be today. Hey guys, is Ondo that guy?
Let's see if we do a very irresponsible long.
Okay. Whoa.
Welcome to Sin City Gambling. This is David, your host, your dealer today.
Oh God. All right.
So to answer the person's question that said, is the limit order for Bitcoin still valid? Yes. I still have it open. Okay. I'm going to read some chat. I want to show some love to the people watching. Just going to scroll up a little bit. Someone says, Lana, goodbye Bitcoin 58K. Oh, you already talked about that. It's oil bothering Bitcoin for now, I think. Oil. We should look at oil.
Yeah, we got to look at all traditional assets: oil, gold, Nasdaq. Quickly.
TRX is chilling. It's a long hold. Mm-hmm. I don't have any TRX. Do you have any TRX spot?
Not at the moment, but we do have an open trade on TRX. A trade alert yesterday. 4-hour trade is open and active. Mm-hmm.
In the money?
In the money. Let's go.
Definitely looks like a FN head and shoulder peeking out of the chart. Two of them. Forget which one we're looking at. Is Bitcoin limit still valid? Yes. Inside of the third. Do you think Bitcoin is bearish now? I think we kind of already answered that. And then Echo Mystery said, since I sub here, I made $900 from $300. Can we get a round of applause for our friend Echo Mystery here? Can we throw some money his way?
Yeah, drop the cash, man. Drop the cash for Echo.
My boy over here, man. He said he came up in here and tripled his account.
There you go. Adding to the
cash. We
love
to hear it. Thank you for sharing, and shout out to you. We hope you can triple it again. And then after that, triple that account. And then after that, triple that account. Until we have so many triples, we lost count. Where did the white chick go?
The white chick.
Wait, are they being sarcastic and making fun of Rob? Or are they actually asking about Laura?
Good question. I don't know.
It's a mystery. I refuse to answer the question. Okay.
Stellar Lumens.
JP, I would like to put in a formal request.
What you got?
Venice.
Okay. Venice, let's look at Venice. There's a flag just like everything else in a 30-minute time frame.
No way.
Yeah, there's a flag. Right at the 50 MA. Once again, a bit bearish structure within bullish structure. Just, we got some peaks there. Was a head and shoulder, maybe making an extra shoulder there. I have no idea. But it's bullish consolidation, shaky bullish consolidation on the 30 for Venice. Let's look at the macro. What's the daily looking like? Here we go. We had a bullish daily candle, closed above the 9 MA. Now new candle, maybe making a wick so far. It's a red candle, may bounce from support at 10.961. We'll see. But overall, man, that daily is pretty, well, let's zoom out. Wow, interesting. Yeah, Venice is one of those few coins that was like not in a bear market, really. All right, if I'm looking at this correctly, let me remove all drawings. Yeah, Venice is one of the very few coins that was not in a bear market, and it was actually in an uptrend this entire time. And it has this huge flag on the daily. This is going to be an awesome opportunity once this flag finally breaks. For me personally, for me to get into it, I would prefer if it even extended even more, like to the 200 MA. I would get in at that 200 MA bounce. But I see a very fragile trend here on the daily for Venice. And once that trend breaks, that trend will, will break hard and start to go to the upside, breakout, flag, breakout, flag, breakout, flag. I'm talking like that. Fragile trends break, trend down to break up. Eventually, this is going to be ready to break out, but right now isn't the moment. You could say maybe that 9 MA may be the first step if it can start getting bullish here, but we're not there yet.
Any bull div?
Bull div, yes. You do have a little bit of bull div. Some Class B right there and some Class A slightly right there. No, it's not. Okay, Class B definitely at the bottom for sure. And I could just see, you just see the stochastics trending up right there. You see it trending up. Slight div right there on market cipher B class. So once again, Class B bull div. That means that there's not actually lower low on price and higher low on momentum. There's equal lows on price, but higher momentum. Not as strong as Class A, but, still there. Class B bullish divergence on Venice right there.
Where's that level on there? Where the 200 is and that volume?
Like right around this area, around 8.84, 884, around that region. Yeah, I would say between the actual 200 is at 852, but that volume node is at like 891. So somewhere between 852 and 891 is a pretty critical level for Venice, I would say. I would prefer to buy there. If I was going to buy this flag, I would feel more confident buying the flag at that level. Either that or let the trend breakout happen first. Start giving some green candles, and then we can see about a bigger move to the upside.
Hey, man, I'm going to put in a pretty big... I'm putting in a limit long order there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice.
I love that area for Venice because and the reason I ask is because there's a value in my mind, a dollar amount in my mind that I would swap some of my current alts into Venice to grow my Venice bag because I sold so much of it after the airdrop. And it was, I forget if it was like $6 or $10. So when I saw that 200 in that volume, yeah, so I put in a fairly large limit order.
Just let it finish falling through this clap gap and get in at that nice level there. I like that.
That's one. That's going to be one. I don't know if it's a week from now, 2 days from now, a month from now, where I'll wake up in the morning, I'll open up my BitUnix account, and it'll be, I don't know, if my account's at $1,000, it'll be at $2,000, and I'll be like, what the hell? And then I'm like, oh shit, I forgot about that Venice.
Hey.
Or I'll open it up like, oh damn, my white account got wiped. Just kidding, the account's not going to get wiped because I didn't put up all my money. Checking in on my trades here, guys. I'm up on both trades. One thanks to the Zen Master. The other thanks to myself, which is the Zcash short here. Zcash short, I think it was... Do you remember the trades and what time frames you got in on? Because I am so bad at remembering.
I'm usually pretty good at it. What time frame was that? I think it was a smaller one, man, like 15.05 or something like that. I don't know.
Okay. Anyways, this trade still looks good, man. We saw that bear div on Zcash, got into a short. Currently up $42. What percentage is that? Did it tell you the percentage gain? Let me see. Oh, not even 1%. Guys, we're up 0.72%. Throw the money. Just kidding. Don't throw the money. No.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay.
It's not deserving. I am not worthy. The trade is not worthy enough yet. Okay? Yet. But dollar amount value adds are up $50. So unrealized P&L right now is $91 on my positions on breakout. Rob, what's up, man?
What's happening?
Go ahead, man. Show's yours.
I just got in on a Bitcoin long.
Oh.
I'm just trying to...
Wait a minute.
I'm just trading the channel here. And so...
Guy stays quiet for 90% of the show, and then I randomly call on him, and he's got in a trade.
With no trailer or anything.
Can you see this guy, bro?
No trailer, just long.
So I'm just over here, and I think what we're seeing is, here on the 5-minute, I think we're seeing is a larger pattern, is some head and shoulders playing out here, right? Actually, that's good. Let's keep it on the 5-minute, actually. So what seems like we have a reversal here. So we got you got an inverse head and shoulders that didn't play out, but overall a rounding structure came down, put in a lower low here, and so it seems like we might be. I'm scalping the day. Today is a scalping day for me, bro. And so I'm trying to put in cup and handle here, continue out the inverse. We'll see what happens. I got a long in play. We're at 64.8. Seems like good reverse. I'm just trying to take it to the top of the range. I'm just trying to go to.
He's gonna win. I think he's gonna win a trade. Honestly,
I'm just trying to get this thing up to 65,000, man. You know what? We keep knocking on the door. Feel like this is the bottom side of the channel here. We did come back and test right here at this same area, and well, here we are. So I'm trying to ride this thing out with some 65,000. That's where I'm at. Thank you.
Okay.
So he's in a long.
I'm in a long.
Okay. All right. Just put your timer on. Another 15 minutes. We're gonna randomly call on him again. He's gonna be in another trade.
Okay.
I mean, it's a long trade, guys. Was there anything else on the list I can take a peek
Doge,
at?
we got to look at. We got to look at Kato as well. Don't forget about these community coins. And community, ask us what you want to see again. Okay, Kato, Doge, and did we ever look at Dash?
You know what I was doing here, if you guys want to take a look.
And I'll be right back while you guys break this down, okay? Promise.
So I was doing a side-by-side Dash versus Zcash. So the two have traded quite comparably, one versus the other. And so I did a little side-by-side here, and you can see here going, this is on the monthly candles, and you can see that Dash and Zcash ultimately do run similarly, right? And so you can see here, Dash did get a large bump up on its own, and if you were to look here at a corresponding, no rally at a Zcash, and so they do pop off on their own from time to time. But you can see here we had a nice rally from Zcash, also a big rally from Dash same time. But the one on Zcash was a little stronger. But now let's fast forward this thing and take a look where we're at now. So if you are in the camp that Dash and Zcash will copy one another, I mean, this is about as good as it gets right here. I mean, David, if I said to you, Dash likes to follow Zcash, what do you take away from this scenario right here?
I take away that Dash tried to follow Zcash, but it got haberdashed.
That makes no sense. It makes no sense at all. So I will say that when Zcash broke out, remember this is monthly candles. when Zcash broke out, we did see a breakout on Dash. And we also saw a top here. And so now Zcash has way outperformed Dash. So don't get it twisted. But let's take a peek at some smaller time ranges here. So let's look at some 4 hours.
Those are some massive monthly wicks, dude.
Bro, there's been some crazy
Those are
money.
massive.
So here, let's take a look at the 4 hour candles and let's compare these two charts side by side. So on the 4 hour, you can see that we've had a strong breakout. It's almost like an inverse move here almost, right? I mean, you can see here, well, I guess I have to zoom it out a little bit. Something like that. Anyways, hard to line it up perfectly. But you can see that the Zcash has been ripping, but yet Dash has just been consolidating. But the big takeaway here, though, is that this move that we just saw in the last 4 hours, we did see a move out of Dash, just not to the same percentage, right? I mean, we went from 490 to 570. Here we went from 32 to 34. So we're seeing a breakout. I have a feeling that Dash is in a good spot, bro. If you're in the camp that Dash is going to follow Zcash, I'd feel pretty confident on a long. But that's all off of the thesis that.
I mean, that's what you traded, right? That was your thesis.
Yeah. Well, I did that exact thing, right? That's what I did.
That's what I'm saying, and you found a lot of success with it. So
I did, but I don't know if the correlation's still there, because if you expect a correlation, you would expect it to run to about here, right? So $34 to 36. I'm looking for a 10% move out of Dash, maybe just shy of it, maybe an 8% move. Maybe it's a delayed effect. Let's take a look on. We'll put top 200. I'm curious because I think Dash is Dash in the top 200 or in the top 100. So
I don't think so.
Because you got Zcash here up 11% on the 24 hours, but there is no Dash here. So what's Dash at? So Dash is up 3% on the 24 hours, and then it's down on the week. So yeah, I mean, there's definitely if you're expecting Dash and Zcash to run, you should get another 10% out of a $37 Dash would be my hypothesis here. So
you hypothesize,
yeah.
Okay, someone earlier said Kato. Let's look at Kato, whatever the hell you want to call it. This is the 4 hour, man. 4 hours giving me some toppy vibes here. It's not really a blow off top, but I mean, volume wise, we had a big spike in volume. We got two pretty big upside wicks here. Let's throw Heikinashi on there. Heikinashi still says the trend's intact, at least on the 4 hour time frame. I was looking to the weekly, daily, nothing really to see there. Weekly looks pretty strong. Weekly reclaimed. Obviously, it's been moving up towards it. Up the 21. It's kind of been riding the 21 for a few weeks, really. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. It got that last tap and then ran. Officially reclaimed the 50 MA this week's candle open, so yesterday. Here's the daily. First, we're seeing a red candle here on the daily, which, I mean, it's still early. So, but and then I was working my way down. The 4 hours where I kind of said, maybe it's a little toppy. Guys, I like to front run. I like to front run double tops, tweezer tops. That it's. I would say I've been about 60% accurate on those. We lost on a Dexy one last week. Oh, it already crossed. I was going to say. We have some divergence here, okay? Money flow continuing its steep upside kind of momentum, while VWAP is trading below zero, which gave us that fresh red dot on a higher high market, or on a higher high momentum wave on Market Cipher. We cut that 4 hour in half. And now we see 1, 2, 3 wicks. You had a baby blood diamond on a green candle, which is typically a very good first warning sign. Although, just to give you, just to show you that you shouldn't just follow one indicator. Look at it. It happened here, and then Cato just ran. So that's not to say that, oh, it's a baby blood diamond on a green candle. That means we're going to dump it. No. Okay. Also, we didn't really have the wicks. We had the wick here. This wasn't really a top. It was sideways. This, though, extended to the upside. We're right there at a volume POC. Great area for Cato to kind of spill off. Look at how the Stokes are. Okay. Look how the Stokes are. RSI sitting at 73, curving down. Let's cut that in half on the 1 hour. Now it starts to look maybe a little more bullish. And as I'm going through these time frames, okay, and I know I'm saying this looks bullish, this looks bearish, I'm thinking out loud. And in the end, I promise I will come to a conclusion, okay? But this, to me, looks a little bullish. Front running a potential green dot? Maybe. Stokes still pretty high? Yes. Let's cut that in half to the 30-minute. 30-minute looks a little more bearish. Right? 30-minute gives you those, what do you guys call it? The cat ears or bat wings or something like that, right? And essentially an M pattern, a cat ears, a Batman, whatever the hell you want to call it. Here you had tweezer tops. Here you have a double tweezer top. So you combine these two, you got quadruple tweezer tops. We already got the red dot confirmed on the, actually not confirmed, but we have the red dot printed on the 30-minute, not confirmed yet, as we still have around 25 minutes left for the candle to close. Bearish cross on the Stokes. RSI been pointing down since about an hour ago. Okay, let's go to the 15-minute. I'm looking for some div here, which bear div, which we're not seeing, but we do have higher peaks on momentum to the upside. But each peak has given us a red dot. And so is this indicator lying? Or is it telling us you got out of it once, you got out of it twice, you're going to get out of it a third time? Or are you going to do what you're supposed to do, which is go down? Okay. Let me get rid of these brush strokes. There we go. So the 15 to me looks bearish, okay? And we are close enough to the top here where we can have a pretty tight stop loss and give ourselves a good R&R, okay? So this is what, if I were to take this trade, this is what it would look like. And I would take this down to the 200 MA. It's a 3.2 to 1 trade setup, okay? So let's keep that there. All right. And let's work our way to the 10-minute time frame. 10 minutes, Stokes about reset. RSI kind of floating, diddle-daddling in the middle there. 5-minute time frame. Getting a little bit of a bid here. Interesting, though. We're getting a bid, but the RSI is, of course, this can start curving up now. Coming off in some hidden bull div. But that VWAP is still curved down. There we go. There we go. Okay. All right. Looks like it's lagging just a tad bit. So 5 minutes says caution on the short or get a better entry on the short. And then the 1 minute blood diamond flash above the 200. Is this a double bottom here? We have some potential double bottom with some Class B bull div on the RSI. Right, we have essentially equal bottom, but higher low on the RSI. 1 minute does look double toppy here. 1 minute looks like a double top. With volume decreasing on the second top. Man, yeah, I think, okay, so I think I want to short this thing, but I want to wait for a better entry. So let's see what that looks like. Okay, so my direction here is short, okay? Now we got to figure out a good entry. Okay, we know our stop's going to be there. I think... Let's see high time frames. Where are we at? Are we in or around any important moving averages? Well, not there. Not there. And what is that? Well, we don't even have enough data. Let's go to a 2-day. Ooh, 200. Let's go to a 3-day. Nothing on the 3-day. What about a 5-day? 100's creeping on the 5-day, but that would put us out of our. That would put us out of the trade because of our stop losses right below that. You know what, man? I'm just gonna market order this thing. I'm gonna market order. I'm gonna keep my stop above here. So we're gonna go stop. I'm not calling a trade alert on this one. This one's a little riskier. As JP likes to say, this is more of a battle plan. And so if you are willing to take the increased risk, then great, take the trade. If you're not, then stay away from it. But we're looking at something like this. We're looking at entry now for a short. Stop loss, 80.5 cents. TP, 67.54 cents. And we're going to risk, how about we risk 125 to make 539. 125 to make 539. And there it is. We are officially in the trade. So David is currently in 3 trades. 2 are in the green. Zcash. Okay, Zcash. Zcash doing what it's supposed to do. I am fully aware of the 21 MA sitting here at the 30-minute time frame. Last time we got a bounce there. So I'm fine. What would that look like if I take my TP up there? That would give me about a 1.2% gain. I don't want to do that. I want to keep it where it's at. And so there we go. 3 trades. Took a Kato, or how do you pronounce that? Kaito or Kato? And this thing is dumping. So we'll see. Yeah. Took a Kato short, my friend. All right. So there it is. There's your that's what my second trade. No, that's my 3rd trade call of the day. First one was a loser. HBAR I didn't get my clapping. Jake, go full screen on me.
Full screen.
Clap me, my friend. Go ahead and clap me.
The suspense.
Anticipation. You got a clap, man? Where's the clap? Clap him!
There it is, right in the chest.
You know I got acid reflux, man. That's messed up, bro. Took a clapping on HBAR, but so far.
Isn't that the one you got mad I didn't follow you on?
I am, yes. Now I'm even more mad because I know, right? How the wheels of the world turn. Now I'm even more mad because I'm the only one that lost money, man.
You're like, you took every trade but the HBAR. And then 15 minutes later.
2 hours later.
2,000
I hate this show,
later.
but I love this show. So I don't hate the show. I hate the one person on the show. But I love him too, man. It's a love-hate relationship, you know. JP. I took a Kaito short, man.
Kaito short. Okay.
Yeah.
What was the justification in one sentence?
I don't want to talk about it, man.
Okay, let's not talk about it.
Yeah.
All right. Bitcoin looking a bit bearish in a 1 minute, guys. I mean, I don't know how much has passed, how much has changed since I've been gone, but man, look at this thing.
Since you've been gone.
Since I've been gone. Oh, we really starting to dump now. Okay, volatility inbound, baby. Volatility inbound. Protect your cheeks. I'm going to look at the traditional assets. We haven't looked at it all day. Here's the NASDAQ, man. Still bullish. Look on a 5-minute time frame. Bullish on a 5-minute. A bit of a double top, though, right there. Is it the beginning of the downtrend? I don't know, but it's bullish right now. NASDAQ bullish today. Let's go ahead and look at gold.
Guys, just so you're aware, I canceled the limit long order.
Oh.
Canceled the limit long order. Anyone that's watching, that was following, cancel limit long order. We just got a red X here, and yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm already in 3 trades. I'm not trying to be stupid here, so I boxed that out. Right now we're at the gold pocket on every time frame, but the 15-minute time frame. We'll see if we move through this volume gap to the downside. If we so happen to see a 786 bounce live while one of us is on the chart, then maybe I'll work my way down to the 2 or the 1 minute time frame. If we see any sort of reversal, I'll get back in. But right now, I have canceled the limit long order on Bitcoin. Thank you for your attention to this matter.
Cool. How about gold right here, man? Gold looking pretty bullish to me in a 5-minute. I like that rounded bottom at the 200 MA. Pretty tasty. Gold in a 5-minute. There's a 30. Has a 30 flag as well with the green dot. Interesting.
What are you trying to say, man?
4 hour at resistance though. It doesn't look that impressive on the medium time frames, I gotta say. But the small time frames look kind of bullish for gold at the moment, and I'm sure for silver as well. Yeah, look at silver. And how about oil? And what happened to the freaking oil on my chart? Oh, there it is. CL. Here it is, oil on the 5-minute time frame. Is oil bullish or bearish right now, guys? I mean, it was a big move up. Going a bit sideways right now, though. What is this? Is this a V for volatility? Let's zoom out to see what we have here. The structure, a big move up, a move down, and then a move back up. It looks like a V for volatility is what I call that. V for volatility, which is usually bullish, believe it or not. But is it just a lower high? Is it a lower high? And is that a head and shoulder on a 30-minute for oil? Could be. Head and shoulder on the 30-minute could bring you down. 4 hour looks pretty bullish to me, though. Bullish, but bearish at the same damn time. What do I mean by that? I mean that it's a bullish trend. I mean, big move up, but going sideways now. You have some wicks to the upside. This could retrace more, but I mean, it's bullish consolidation. That's bullish. Oil's bullish on a 4 hour. That's all I'm saying. It's not like bullish, like get in right now, you're instantly in the green, but this structure should go higher. I so wish you could see what's going on here. Okay. Yeah, oil looks potentially bullish there. How about the small time frame? Just had a big move up and a move down. Here's the 1 minute, losing at 200 MA. Is it bear flagging? All right, let's get off of oil and back to BTC. Back to the assets that matter. I gotta say, BTC is a small time frame bearish right now, losing to 200 MA, double death cross. But at the same time, like, where's the bearish consolidation? It's just dumping right now, guys. It's just dumping. And there's no bear flag. Like, where's the bear flag? Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, where's the bounce?
Where's the bear flag? Where's the bounce? It's just straight down.
I got a long open, and I'm kind of got my. I'm basically just betting on this rounded out bottom here, and so that's what I'm forecasting. Kind of catching a falling knife here, but a lot of this is I was expecting a bounce here at where we made a high, which was 64.7, and you know we got a couple green candles here on the 5 minutes, so. There is a little bit of momentum. I mean, it's not much, but you know, we got one strong green candle here. So I mean, we'll see. I'm playing the rounded out bottom here. This could be a quick trip to stop out, but we'll see. I've been around the block enough to know that this does reverse a lot of times right here, especially when you're lined up with a previous resistance. So that's where I'm at on open trade. So I'm just kind of keeping my eye on it at the moment.
Okay.
Anything you're keeping an eye on here, Kurt? I know you said gold and oil. I like that gold trade.
Yeah, me too.
I went ahead and just put one in.
Damn, fine. It's no time.
Today I am a man. Of copy.
I'm a man.
I'm just scalping, man. Today's just have fun, lay back and scalp day. Making some money here. I'm ultimately green on the day, so you know, been following everything, and so here you go.
Okay. I'm watching Near Protocol. I'll tell you that much. I'm interested, but I wanted to see some more candles close and let me know for sure that it wants to bounce, because Near Protocol is in a nice flag on the daily. But I think it was the 30-minute we're looking at. Let me see this 30. Does it look bullish yet? I mean, I find it hard to believe it would with the way BTC is acting. But 13 minutes left in the 30-minute candle. So far, a bounce at the 50. That's interesting. Okay. Can I start speculating? There is a Class B bullish divergence. Excuse me. Class B bullish divergence right there and a double bottom. Now, I'm not saying it's necessarily bullish, But I like the flag, man. I like the 30-minute flag. I'm waiting for the right time on Near Protocol, man. When's the right time? When's the right time, Rob? It's like right now.
I got closed out on that Bitcoin long.
Got closed out? Clapped out?
Yeah, yep. I got
clap him. Bring him up. Don't clap me. Clap him. Put his screen. Put him up. Don't clap me.
I got clapped. Yeah. So I was hoping for it to round out, but like I said, it was probably a quick ticket to stop out.
Okay, it's a small time frame trade.
Yeah, it was a small one. And
very small time frame. So they play out quickly.
I lost like $40, but try to catch that little bounce here. I thought it was going to round out, but here we are.
I want to give a shout out to Jay Clapton. Says, hey, Sin City Crypto, my body is finally aligned to your show time frame. He said, I slept 3 a.m. but woke up at 3:45 to blindly follow JP. I appreciate you. Jay Clapton. All right, we out here clapping, folks. All right, yeah, we got some people short. Community, are you long or short? 1 for long. 2 for short right now in the chat. That's a quick exit poll. 1 for long, 2 for short. What is your current trade right now? Talk to me. Talk to me, baby. And what coins have we missed? And can we just like spam, like just, I don't know, random things in the chat? Like maybe how much you appreciate the channel, or maybe, you know, your favorite coin. Can we just like put things in the chat? Can we get
say something?
Can we get like some animals or something like that? You know, put your favorite animal emoji maybe. Do you like dogs? Can we get dogs in the chat? I just want more chat, man. Come on.
What's your favorite color? Also, rank your top 5 favorite cereals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fruity Pebbles, Frosted Flakes. Come on, let's go.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch is definitely.
Yeah, that's up there.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch is the GOAT.
How about that?
Cinnamon Toast Crunch. You got to understand from a older person's perspective. I don't know how young my viewers are, but if you were around a 35 to 50-year-old range, and it's somewhere in there, then you know that before Cinnamon Toast Crunch came out, there was no cereal on par with that much sugar. Like you had the most was like Honey Nut Cheerios, Captain Crunch, and then they dropped the sugar bomb, and that was Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Man, all the kids, they just twitching. That was it. Ain't nobody had the balls to put that much sugar in some cereal.
Yeah.
Here we are.
Crack cereal.
Obesity epidemic in the United States as well. 20 years later.
Shout out to Cap'n Crunch fans out there. Let's go. Crunch berries, baby. Crunch berries. Man, Fruit Loops with the marshmallows, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Mm-hmm. I love it. I love it, man.
Honey bunches of oats.
Honey bunches of oat. Yeah, you might as well say Raisin Bran, man. Come on, man.
You calling me old?
Honestly, Raisin Bran is kind of degenerate too. Like that's not even like the real healthy
Honey
ones.
bunches of oats? What are you gonna like pull out the little strawberry candies out of your pocket next? Here's some Buttersworth.
Cream savers, actually. Those cream savers are fire, dog. They is fire. What do you do 1s and 2s for? Oh, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, 1 for longs, 2 for shorts right now. Getting a temperature check for the community. Trying to get them involved, man. I just want you involved. I want you talking in the congregation. Talk to us.
Dion said bootios.
Bootios
Are fire. He said,
hey.
Love your show in the Discord. You're very welcome. I mean, thank you. You're very welcome. Then took away French Toast Crunch and then bam, brought it back. Okay.
Diddy Pebbles.
I'm looking. What?
That was Dionis Fresh. I'm sorry. Dionis.
We got grandma in the chat, Honey Bunches. Wait, is that the right one I'm thinking of? Hold on, man. Now y'all got me. You're making fun of me.
It's like Raisin Bran. I love Bran Flakes.
It's like the original cornflakes with no freaking like sugar at all, you know?
Yeah, Dan, this is it, man. Am I that old? I'm younger than all of you. This is the one, though. Damn. My bad.
I actually like that one a lot too. No, I gotta keep it real, man. I do like that one. But that's not really healthy. That's like
it's
like fake
good.
healthy,
But I mean,
man.
so is saltwater taffy, and
I haven't eaten taffy in a while, man. Can't my teeth.
That's crazy. I think me and Jake was just talking about taffy, you know? Yeah. Apparently Jersey is known for the taffy, man. You know, South Jersey, the beach.
Why do you say apparently when you lived there?
Because a lot of people don't understand. They think Jersey is just like one land, like Jersey. You're from Jersey, you know, cool. It's like 3 different states within Jersey, you know? It's like 3 different realities.
Got it.
It's either you're from right outside New York City in your suburb of New York City, like I was, or you're a suburb of Philly. You know, you kind of got that Philly vibe, or you're just South Jersey. They're in their own world, you know, just like the shore, Jersey Shore.
Oh, the Italians.
Yeah, it's an entirely different thing. There's like 3 different whole areas. And then you got like the farmland too. Jersey's very diverse, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
So which part did you like?
My part, right?
The suburban area?
Yeah. Suburban area, right outside of New York City, though. It was a New York City metro area. All the rich people that worked in New York City lived in Jersey, right? In the hills in Jersey, right? You ever watch, what is it, Run's house? You remember, like, Saddle River, New Jersey, like that area?
No idea.
Yeah, no idea. I don't know. It's the nice area, man. We got nice areas in Jersey.
Okay. We have that in Vegas. It's called Summerlin.
Yes, true.
That's about it. Okay. There was one on that list. You have, I want to look at Lido. I took an L on Lido, and there's Bitcoin getting that bounce off that gold pocket.
No way.
Yeah.
It just broke the fragile trend, guys. It just broke it.
Look at that gold pocket bounce. Now, my original limit order was below, so it wouldn't have gotten tapped in anyways. But okay, Lido. Let's take a look at Lido. Lido is the #1 staking platform on ETH. Let's take a look. I'm not gonna. You know what? Actually, it should be down here somewhere. It should be relatively new to my chart, which of course I'm not gonna be able to find. I'll just open up a new one. Let's pull up a new one. LDO USDT. Bybit. Give me Lido.
Give me the numbers.
What are the numbers? Here's your weekly on Lido. Just reclaimed a 21, coming off of some bull div. Some major bull div, I might add, my friends. That is massive bull div on the weekly.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying?
Damn, son.
Look at that. 3 white soldiers. Bull div on the RSI, bull div on the Stokes, bull div on markets FB. We got triple confluence, my friends. Can I get an amen up in this mother?
Amen.
That's it? Just one?
Yes.
Yeah, Rob, I think he's trying to harpoon me, bro. Here's your daily. Beautiful double rounded bottom here on the daily, man. Look at that. Boop. Bull div also on the daily, coming in. Double top or flaggy flag. It's breaking up. That's the daily.
How's that look on the 4-hour? Probably better, right? Yeah.
I don't know. Is it better?
You got the.
We're about to get a bearish cross on the VWAP.
You got the boobies there.
The saggy ones?
Yeah.
The honey bunches of oat titties.
No, you got boobies. Look at that. Perfect.
Honey bunches of titties.
Perfect rack.
That's not. This one's drooping. You see, this one's kind of sharp. Cone. It's a cone one.
Ooh.
Double cone titties. This one got extra sag to it, you know?
Cellulitis.
So what? You say cellulitis?
Yeah.
I don't think you can get that on your breast. But I'm not a breast doctor. So, but this might be an interesting opportunity to potentially front run a red dot here, guys. A little risky, but we're getting a bearish cross on our Stokes here. You see that blue line's crossing below that orange line, right? Crossing below that would be bearish. I don't like that volume spike though.
I got the buy signal on near coming soon too.
Yeah,
get done with this. Yeah.
Yeah,
maybe like in 3 minutes. So you got 3 minutes.
I can't front run this short. That looks like a strong uptrend to me. Although volume is decreasing, that's one to keep in mind. That's your 4-hour. Here's your 2. I mean, do you categorize this as a flag? I don't know. Flag with a deviation.
Ascending triangle is what you mapped out there. Bullish consolidation.
Yeah. Yeah, very risky to try to front run a red dot here on the 4 hour. But VWAP is right there. It's at 0.0, and there it is. There's that bearish cross. And there's that red dot that just showed up on Market Cipher. But I'm not, at least on the 4 and the 2 hour, I'm not willing to do that. 1 hour, though, is a 1 hour giving us head and shoulder vibes. Right shoulder, head, left shoulder. What would that trade look like on a short? 1.5 to 1. I don't like it. You're bringing it down to your 200, 3.4 to 1. I like it, but I don't know if I like that direction of Lido, especially after that weekly looks so bullish. Here's your 30 minute. 30 minute is giving us, as long as this candle closes in a minute and a half, 30 minutes is giving us a potential trigger wave short opportunity for an entry here. Stokes rolling over, RSI rolling over. Volume increasing on the move down. As you can see here, the volume bars. Volume increasing on the move down. I mean, on the move up for Lido. As you can see here, here was our peak, here was our second peak, and here was the third peak. All decreases in volume. And then finally, the 15-minute red X on the 15-minute time frame here. I just like this is just indecision, bro. It's just very indecisive. And I don't know, maybe it's me or maybe it's what I'm seeing on the chart, but there's your 5 minute about. I'm like, yeah, I'm not trading this thing. This thing is very bullish on the high time frames. Low time frames, you do have some signs of weakness, but you look at the 5 minute, we're right approaching the 200 MA, so expecting a bounce there. I mean, realistically, outside of this deviation here, we've been above our 200 since July 12th. So it's only been 2 days. It's only been 2 days, David, because it's on the 5 minute time frame. But regardless, we kind of bounced at that 200 every single time. We consolidated here a little bit, saw that big move up. And this was it's about a 2.5% move up on Lido. I'm not shorting this thing, but weekly time frame looks very, very bullish. So if you're in a high time frame long and you scalped somewhere along the bottom, I would, if it was me, I would personally hold on to this trade. I think we attempt to retake that 50 MA, which coincides with our, right there. Look at that confluence there with a high volume node. That's right around 61 cents. So you still probably have another 50% or another 2x to go from where it is now. About 85% to go from where you are now. But be careful, low time frames, or if you're maybe sitting on the sidelines, you might get a better entry on the lower time frames. The 4 hour, you want to try to get into the rotation to the bottom end of the range of 21 is sitting right there at around 31.49 cents. But I'm not convinced either way. I'm too afraid of short because the high time frames and the longs are just, I mean, I don't know. Am I just being like, am I trying to be objective here? Am I just being indecisive, or do some of these charts kind of give indecisive vibes here?
You're being careful, and it does give indecisive. You're breaking down what's there. Sometimes the TA says indecision. Yeah. Especially when you're in between trends. So I would say,
I feel very betrayed. I feel like right now the trend ain't being a good friend to me. You know?
What is the trend?
Anyways, so I went over Lido. Do you want to look at AVE?
Sure, but I also want to let you know about NIR right now, man. I think I might pull the trigger on it because the 30-minute candle just closed. We had a bullish candle here. Now I'll say this. I would have loved it a lot more if it would have closed above that 9 MA right there. But we just closed a 30-minute candle. I was just waiting for a bullish candle close, and that closed bullish. Now price is starting to break above the 9 MA. Look, and then look at the small time frames. Go to the small time frames. 1 minute just closed some candles above the 200 MA. That's going to set off the auto clappers. Here comes your golden crosses.
What's the orange line?
That's the 9. That's my closest moving average.
Oh man, can we get a 21? Can we get a 21 crossover and retest?
21 crosses. Price touches it.
That would be so juicy.
Bit of a Sammy special a little bit there. Yeah, I can see that happening, man. But yeah. NIR protocol. Look at that nice double bottom too. Double bottom within a double bottom. W, yeah. I like it. Small time frames now agreeing with the 30-minute time frame flag that I'm ready to now long. So go ahead and call the trade alert.
Attention, trade inbound. Attention, trade alert. High probability setup found. Time to blindly follow JP. Sin City Crypto. New trade alert. This is not
financial advice. All right. Throw some money, baby. Throw some money and give them the numbers. Let's give them the numbers. Show my screen, please. Let's get into this trade right now. I'm entering right now at the current price. Just about, what is it, 2.011 for near protocol. I just got into the trade. I have the stop loss below the super trend on the 30-minute time frame. That will be at 1.991. And the TP will be 2.1. 2.1. Exactly. That is the exact measure move of the bull flag. I was very patient with this trade, guys. I saw this a long time ago, but I wanted to see more confirmation of a bounce, not just buying a falling knife. There's a bounce. There's low Stokes. There's a green dot on the 30-minute time frame, a buy signal. Let's zoom in on that. Okay, there we go. VWAP coming up. Love it, love it, love it. Low Stokes, green dot that has printed, confirmed with the candle close. And then when I go to the small time frames, I have small time frame confirmation for the move. The small time frame agreeing to now be bullish, breaking the brittle trend to the downside and closing candles above the 200 MA. Golden crosses inbound. I love the trade. I'm in the trade now near protocol, and I will not close this trade unless I get stopped out, baby. Let's go. We long.
Robin, did you blindly follow JP?
Sure did.
You did?
Show my chart. I'm in.
We in, baby. Let's go.
Told you today I'm just
a spectator.
Blindly following.
Very nice.
Inbound. I just got to say, Bitcoin's still not really turning bullish on the 1 minute, guys. Is that a rejection again? Is it making bearish consolidation? What do you guys make of the small time frame action for BTC?
Looks like it broke the trend. Can it come back to retest it? Maybe, but it's right there at the 21, right?
Good point. Good point. It broke the trend. Is that like a mini bull flag now? Do we bounce? Do we bounce here at the 21? And does that make an inverted head and shoulder? Potentially.
I like that.
Yeah, I mean, it is a bullish pattern. So
I also like when we see a big move out of Bitcoin, I don't really panic. Not to say anyone here is panicking, but I don't really panic or get nervous if Bitcoin starts to go down or consolidate. Typically what you see, when altcoins decide they want to run. So, yeah.
All right. I'm adding CC to the list real quick. Canton. Somebody called me Clap Daddy. Does anything I need to look at, man? Do you guys look at AAVE, ADA, and all this stuff already?
Look in the mirror, bro.
Look in the mirror.
I looked at Lido. He looked at Dash.
Okay.
I looked at Kato.
I could look at AAVE.
Yeah, AAVE, and then I don't know, Cardano or someone, Rob or.
Sounds good. Where you at, AAVE? Here we go. Do a quick analysis for you on AAVE. Here's the daily time frame. What's AAVE doing? Okay. The last candle that just closed, the daily candle, a bullish engulfer on AAVE, pretty bullish, and a green dot on the new candle. We'll see how long it lasts. And look, the money flow just flipped green on AAVE for the daily. And that matters. Could test the resistance at 108 at the 200 MA. Let's go to your 4-hour time frame. AAVE. Okay. Nice bull trend. I'm liking what I'm seeing here. Very bullish. Okay.
Gay.
But look, a rounded bottom, a cup, and a potential handle here on the 4-hour. Cup and handle, but high Stokes, green money flow, green dot program. Here's the 30-minute in a flag. A nice bull flag, but it looks like it wants to retrace more. Could it bounce? Absolutely, but you have a red dot Stokes rolling over, losing the support at the 21. It looks like it wants to make a deeper flag and potentially still be bullish. All right, let's go to the 5-minute time frame. 5-minute kind of a right now time frame above the moving averages, 200 MA, mostly is the one I'm talking about. tells you that you are bullish on this time frame. And finally, the 1 minute, a bit shaky, going sideways, but a big move up and gave it back. We'll see. Starting to lose that 200 on the 1 minute. So all in all, I don't know. AVE, and did we talk about this 30-minute flag? Hold on. Yeah, that 30-minute flag ain't too bad.
On AVE?
Yeah, we did talk about it. But I said it looked like it's going to come down more. Looks like it may come down more because it's losing the 200 and the red dot. Yeah, we talked about that. But, I mean, it's still a nice flag right now, guys. Everything that's worth anything is just about in the 30-minute flag. The same kind of flag, I just long or near. But that's AVE. Hope that helps you out. I'll pull up CC. Feel free to cut me off with anything you got going on over there.
While you're doing that, I'm gonna pull up Cardano.
Okay.
ADA inbound. Your voice is just very, very, it's very appealing, and I mean that in a non-homosexual way.
Okay. Thank you, Dave.
Say you got radio voice, you know.
I appreciate you.
Like
Dave.
if I were to like listen to this on Spotify, I'd be like, damn, I like that guy, and I've never seen him. You know.
Okay. Thank you.
Sorry.
All right. CC. Somebody asked me about. C. What is that? Okay. I see. Okay, that must have been okay. That was a while ago. All right, but weird daily chart. Okay, sure. Let's go down to the 4 hours. See if we can see some action here. Okay, a little move up there. I like that. Is that a slanted inverse head and shoulder to the upside? I'm seeing this thing moving up potentially to 0.147. I can see a price moving there for CC on that 4 hour. Here's the 30-minute, very bullish, almost too bullish to enter. Yeah, that's
almost too bullish to enter.
Too bullish to enter. Yeah, it's pumping without you. That thing is making.
Don't leave me.
Making moves on the 30. There is the 5 minute. Somehow the Stoke's still low on the 5 minute. It reminds me of like the Ethereum flag, like so bull, like just like those upward trending flags, right? What you got?
Look at near.
Oh, near. Okay.
Near. Far.
Fa la 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 la. Hey.
No, it's a Titanic song, dog.
Sorry.
Wherever you are. I swear to God, if you fucking hit the crickets back there, I'm gonna come back there and I'm gonna.
My heart will.
Thank you, JP. Thank you. That's funny. I'm in 2 shorts and 2 longs, and they're all in the green, which means I probably jinxed myself. Knock on wood.
2 shorts and 2 longs. Nice. Active,
and they're all in the green.
Interesting.
Near long followed you, thank you. ALGO long followed you, thank you. So my own trades have been shorts now that I'm looking at it. Zcash short and the Kaido short. Kaido looks like it's getting a little bit of a pop right now, but this was, I think, a 15-minute or a 30-minute short. So, yeah. This could turn around, man. This was in a bull trend, but I don't know. I had confidence that this thing was going to reverse, but obviously, you know, anything can happen, so.
Nice.
And then Zcash, this is my biggest gainers so far, is Zcash, and it looks like it's bear flagging on the 5 minute. So perfect, which because I'm in a short here. Get that bearish cross, 21 crossing below that 50, and we're cooking, baby. We're in business.
Zcash,
papa.
I'm about to put in that near trade in my bigger account too.
Okay. What about your breakout account, bro?
Screw that account. No, I'm playing. No, seriously, no.
Damn.
No. No, I'm with you, man. I want to fund the account, man. Just finish the damn, you know, the thing. Just do it. Do the thing.
Who, me?
No, I'm talking to myself. Do the thing.
You, yeah.
Do the thing.
You are the only person in the studio that still has your original account.
I haven't blown it yet.
You haven't blown it. I've blown 2 of them. No, I've blown 1 of them. Rob blew it, I think, the first day.
The first day.
I'm not even trying to be funny. I think that's true. Right? Thumbs up if you did, Rob. He did. No,
he said thumbs down.
Okay, all right.
He said second day. Okay.
You know what the beauty of it is? Man? You blow that account because you make a mistake or trade went your way or you revenge traded. Guess what? The only amount of money you could have lost was your fee to buy the challenge. That's it. Or to buy your what's the terminology they use?
Eval.
Your evaluation. Thank you. Whether it was $100, $60, $200, $500, doesn't matter. That was a max you could have lost. And so, yeah.
Long and strong on my Meso account. Okay, for near, just made it a bigger trade, risking like 100 for 500. Bigger account, a little bigger, you know.
Buddy, man, looks like the account, looks like you're not running out of money.
Not running out of money. I have multiple accounts here, my friends.
Got it, okay.
Focusing on those small accounts right now and the copy account. I'm gonna put some bangers in that copy account.
It was a little weird seeing you risk like $5 because, you know, we used to big boy JP trades. But I respect the fact that you're chasing high ROIs.
Exactly, man. So, just sometimes you gotta humble yourself, man. Like, you know, like humble yourself. Like,
sit down.
Yeah, seriously.
Be humble.
Like, when's the last time you started a new account, bro? You know what I'm saying? Like, when's the last time, you know what I mean, you grew a small account? So
does losing all your money in your first account and then funding that same account count?
Yes.
That not yesterday. Just kidding. Not yesterday. Yes. No. Definitely not yesterday. Okay. JP, is there anything else you wanted to go over, man?
Maybe, but let's bring up the super chat real quick if we can from Todd. Todd, we got his $2 super chat coming in. Says, we can all learn from each other. He says, we can all learn from each other. JP is awesome. Thank you. You're awesome, Todd. You're awesome. What
a great point.
And big shout out to Craig, man. Good to see you, Craig. One of my good people out there. What do I need to tell the people right now? You know, it's a Tuesday night, almost midweek here. We got a lot of movement in BTC. We had a big move up, guys. We got potentially 70K in the cards here. What do I got to tell people? Don't go too hard. Don't go too hard. Be careful. Stick to your models, no matter what that model may be, okay? Or your strategy. Just because things looking bullish don't mean go harder, all right? It don't mean go harder.
Sometimes it means go home.
Although I got to say, man, I do like going hard on those weekly trades, man. Those weekly trades, man. Is it safe to do that yet? I don't know.
Probably not.
Probably not. Yeah, we got to see. But I don't know, man. Good risk management as usual. I freaking love you guys. I love you so much.
Someone said clapped on Near and Kato. Was that our calls you got clapped on? Because I'm still in both of them. And, well, one of them is down a little bit. The other one's up. So I don't know if you had a different stop loss, but I'm still in the trade, at least on both. Near is even, and Kato is up $22 or something like that.
He might have been super high leverage and used different stop loss and TPs, just kind of took the rough idea to trade and went too hard.
Yeah,
maybe that's what happened.
Because I'm still in the trade.
Yeah, we're still in the trade. We're chilling. Trade's looking good. Trade is valid. Yeah. Trade is valid. Love
Rob,
it.
Any parting words?
No, I'm chilling, bro. Chilling.
He's chilling.
Yeah.
Also, Craig said he passed the second evaluation of breakout today. Let's go, man.
Hey.
Love to hear that, bro. Congrats on your funded account, my friend.
Yeah, let me know about your experience, too. I was literally talking in an email to Craig, literally about this. You know, he wanted to try out, breakout. You know, he wanted to try a prop trading fund. So, he's giving it a shot. So let me know. Let me know privately, Craig, or in public, whatever. Let me know what you're thinking about the platform. How great is it? How what are the pros? What are the cons? Let me know honestly what you think about the platform.
By the way, we're working on getting the founder of Breakout on the show. He's a big trader, big time trader. Yeah,
nice.
He's got like 500,000 people on followers on X. It's a pretty well known name in our space, man, in terms of trading. So super excited for that. All right, guys, we are done for the show today. I want to thank you all very much. We'll be back to regular time tomorrow, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, right here in studio with the three of us and some other staff.
Let's go.
All right, and I'm going to wrap us up here. I don't do the finger tornado anymore. Were you here for the finger tornado?
The finger what? Tornado what?
Damn. Those are the days, man. I used to do this thing called a finger tornado.
No, show me.
Then he got kicked out of the movie theater, and he's not allowed back in there no more.
Wait, what?
They can see you up there, man.
You're an idiot, bro. Anyways, no tornado. Jake knows about the tornado. Jake, you know about this tornado, right?
He's the one in the theater?
You're a fucking idiot, bro.
I need a demonstration of this tornado. I need a demonstration.
All right, Don, give me the camera.
Give him FOMO Frank.
Guys, tornado, this was my way of concluding the show.
That was it. That was it.
Where's FOMO
He
Frank?
was so proud of that
I
move.
swear to God, I'm gonna walk over there. Just cut the fucking show, bro. Just end the show. End the show before I do something and say something. End the show.